be here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are we here? Are we here?
I think we're here. Yeah. Let me see.
Let me see.
Yeah, I think I can still hear the music in the background.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah.
lower that down, and then I fixed your audio, so we're hearing you now. Okay, bet. We hear you.
Yeah. All right, bet.
I lowered down the music.
Hey, First Shield, welcome to the stream.
First
Long time no
Shield.
see, my guy. Where you
What's up,
been?
what's
You
up?
disappeared. Damn, welcome.
All right, we should be good. I'm sorry. I was making sure like everything's all working and whatever, cause
Yeah, no worries.
we were getting something, but I think everything's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
All right.
so let's see. What are some first things we should talk about? We just wanna.
And we have to
What's up?
give thanks.
Yeah.
We have to give thanks.
We want to say a big thanks to people that are watching and enjoying the content. I'm sure not everyone is enjoying it, but for the people that are enjoying it, a big thanks for supporting. So we just hit 100 subs, which is a big deal to us.
Yes, sir.
It shows that people are liking it, and that makes us want to do it even more. We knew that we didn't really care if people watch, because we're kind of wanting to practice for ourselves, but we knew that if people did care, that we'll put even more effort into it. So that's what we're doing, and hopefully y'all see the effort that we're doing to make sure we make good content for y'all. Y'all could learn, y'all could critique, y'all could comment, y'all could hate, y'all could do whatever y'all want. We're making sure we make good content so y'all could do that. So yeah, we hit 100 subs. We plan on doing a big 100 sub special next week. It's looking like a Thursday for next week, so we want to do that next week. And the next goal, 500. We want to get 500 subs, and then after that, of course, we want to hit 1,000. So one step at a time, though. We're looking at 500 subs. So, Jose,
Yes, sir.
take it away.
No, I basically said everything. Yeah, thank you guys for being there, for supporting us, from liking, commenting, and subscribing. Me personally, I saw the 100 subs threshold really far into the future. I didn't know we were gonna get this really fast, right? But hey, we're here. Thanks to you guys that were subscribing, that were there, boom, liking it, sharing it, right? And thanks to Carlos, because he's the one doing all the editing, all the thumbnails, all that stuff. He's the one carrying this team, right? I'm just here to support him, be here, part of this project that we did, right? But all thanks to Carlos, he's the one doing all that stuff, right? And so we just want to I just want to be thankful to Carlos and to you guys for being here, for sticking with us, and for making this project a little bit more special, right? And we're like Carlos said, we're aiming for the 500, but the 500, 1,000, 1,000, 5,000, 5,000, 10,000, and 10,000, 100,000, from 100,000 to 1,000,000 subscribers, But like you said, one step at a time. Take it easy, one LeetCode at a time, and hopefully we don't go insane.
I like that. One LeetCode at a time.
Of course.
Thank you, First Shield. We appreciate it.
Hey, appreciate it, even though
you're one of the first. You're one of the first in here.
You're one of the first.
Actually, probably the first. Other than like our friends. Other than our friends that we know, you're literally the first. So
yeah, he's the OG. He's been here since, I think he's one of the first recurrent viewers that we had. Right, he came to like 2 or 3 live streams and helped us out. So First Shield came on the right time. And thank you,
Yes.
Nairo, and I thank
Thank.
you for making time for us in your work in college. So for staying with us. So I thank you, appreciate that. Yeah,
I even
thank you
think
for joining the
that
ride.
we're only like at 20 subs, and like 15 of those subs were our friends. So that
Mm-hmm.
shows a lot. That first shoot
Yep.
was with us, and of course we appreciate that.
Yep. Yep.
Um,
Yep. Yep.
the next thing we want to talk about is we're working on a Discord. So
Yes, sir.
we have a Discord that we're working on. We want to make sure that it looks really nice for potential members of our audience to enjoy. We want to have it to where um, we sorry. Okay, we want to have it to where people could go in there, critique, suggest, review, give us LeetCode problems, chat with us, join the streams possibly. Um, it's still open. It's still in the air on what exactly we want to do fully, but our main goal is to make sure that we grow a community for people that want to get better at LeetCode, beginners, advanced people. Because I had even advanced LeetCoders tell me like, "Hey, you're making me want to refresh on my LeetCode because it reminds me of back then when I was in y'all's position and I was grinding LeetCode. So it's almost nostalgic for them, and I thought that was pretty cool to hear that it motivates them to refresh on their skills, even though they might have a job already in the industry. I thought that was pretty interesting. So um, we're open to anyone that has a common interest of getting better at problem solving and practicing LeetCode questions. So that's kind of like our main goal with that. So I'm very excited. I know Jose is really excited on trying to design uh, a Discord, and yeah. So once we figure out that a lot of people are interested in something like that, we'll start like rolling it out, um, and slowly growing that. Um, but just FYI, it's in the works. So that's something else we
Yeah.
wanted to say. Jose, do you want to add on to that?
No, that one of the features we want to implement into the Discord is that for allowed viewers to actually have like a join them into the call, add them to the call, and for them to help us out in life, not just through the chat, right? To help us out in a problem. So that's in the works. We're still trying to find the look at the logistics, at the rules, at the stuff, because things could happen. They could get out of hand, right? With something like that. But we're trying to do that because I'm excited for that part to keep add some of the viewers into the call. Talk about the problem and see their approach. So yeah, so we're excited and looking for it. Looking forward to it. I hope you guys too. And if we see the support, we'll launch it and we'll see how it goes. For sure, for sure.
Yeah. And I think that's about it we wanted to cover. The last thing would be just reviewing a comment that we saw on one of our videos. Um,
This is
it was
and
mentioning, go.
and just before we advance, First Shield, he mentioned that he has a book for DSA algorithms in Python. If you want to,
Oh,
send it over, right? And we'll look at it, watch it, read it, right? And if you give us permission, right? Because all the knowledge we have here, right? All the resources we want to share with the people. I don't know if Carlos up to that, but if you share it with us and you give us permission, we can even post it on our YouTube as like a post or something like that, so people can read it, understand it, right? And so we can like spread the word, right? But I'm interested in the book for sure. I haven't really read a programming book, and I want to learn about the data structure and algorithm. So if you want to send the link through the chat or something, send it over. We'll gladly look at it and read it over it and see how it goes for sure, for sure. And sorry to interrupt, for sure.
no, dude. We're like I mentioned to you off stream. There's no rules. There's no overseer that telling us what to
Bet.
do. We could we doing our own thing, you know. So You could do whatever you want. But yeah, first show, thank you for offering that. We'll definitely be interested to check
Sure.
that out. Last thing is we want to review a comment quickly that we got on our one of our videos. It was about the reverse a link list. I'm gonna be straightforward. I didn't participate as much on that because I had to go to the restroom, so I wasn't there to really grind through the problem solving a
He
part
had
of it.
another problem to
I had
solve,
another
pretty
problem
much.
to solve, so I was trying to. Yeah, I don't want to even go into it, but I had another problem to solve during that time. So I was, if y'all go back to the stream, y'all would see that I was away for maybe like 5 minutes or so. I come back. Jose has a very good approach. We walk through it. We fine tune it, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and then, or he was explaining it more to me, and yeah, that video did very well. I got like almost 2,000 views, but we got an interesting comment that was mentioning that we could remove an extra temp that we use, something along the
Yep,
lines of
yep.
that. Jose, do you remember exactly?
Yes. Let me pull it up real fast, cause I closed the tab. But oh no, it's not here.
Hello,
I
hello,
think it's
hello.
yes, sir. Hello, Ali. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, I found it. It's my screen, right?
Yeah, you can just read it though. I
Yes.
won't. I
All
won't show
right.
it.
Okay. So basically, we were trying to do a reverse linked list, right? We're trying to do the solve that problem, and the way we did it, we used two pointers. One that's a previous pointer, and another one that's like a next pointer. So we have one in the previous on the node before, and one at the current node, right? And so we use those two pointers, and we basically traversed the first pointer to the next one, and then moved the previous to the point to the back, right? So we basically say temp, prev pointer point to null, prev pointer point to back, prev pointer point to back, and prev temp or cur, right? We always kept it moving, trying to keep track of the where we were, right? And then this comment gave us a solution which is a little bit similar, right? But he used the head pointer instead of using the previous pointer. So instead of us including the head, right, we used the previous, a head, and a current pointer. So we use 3 pointers in total. This solution gives us 2 pointers, which is a temp and head, but basically they work the same, right? The head, which is used as a previous, points to the previous, right, previous node, and the temp points to the next node or to the current node we are in. So
Yeah.
it's an interesting solution, right? Just a slight difference. It's a little bit of a memory. You save a little bit of memory because you don't have to create another pointer, but in essence, is the same idea, the same concept, but just with one pointer less,
Yeah.
one less pointer.
That
Yeah, yeah.
comment was from Michael W. The Michael
Yes,
W.
sir.
So,
The Michael
um,
Dove.
we
Pure dubs,
wanna
pure dubs.
we wanna iterate that we really appreciate the comments because that's what we're doing it for, is to get better. So we encourage y'all to tell us, yo, y'all don't use variable names like that, or don't. Why
Yeah.
did you add an extra this? Why did you add an extra that? We want those. Harsh or not. Maybe y'all could be very nice. Maybe y'all could be very harsh. It don't matter. We're gonna
Yeah.
still see it, and we're gonna learn from it. So we appreciate that, and I think
Mm-hmm.
enough yapping. I think we're ready. I think we're ready to
Yes,
get
yes.
started. We got a couple
Let's
things
get
listed
started then.
today. We
Yeah.
we want to speed run through
Uh-huh.
some LeetCode. So we're gonna, two of us. We have two separate problems that we're gonna try to speed run. We're trying to get under 5 minutes or so. And I don't know who's gonna go first, but let me switch to show y'all the screen. You ready?
Yes, yes,
All right.
yes. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right.
So let me see. Give me a moment before you start talking.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
All right, we're good.
So, any
They
new
should be able to
viewers,
hear
welcome,
us.
welcome to the stream. All right, so we have two problems. Like Carlos was saying, we're gonna speed run two problems, right? We're gonna try and get under 5 minutes. I don't know if you want to work on them together.
No, solo,
No,
baby. Yes, sir.
solo. Oh, okay. So we're
Whoa,
gonna solo.
wait.
Okay.
Actually, I didn't think about that.
You didn't think about it. So
No.
you just told me you were gonna speed run.
Yeah, you're right.
Mm.
Huh?
Mm.
Because if I'm doing it, I can't show my screen. Well, I can, but I
Oh,
didn't.
yeah, you
I didn't
can.
have it set up.
Ooh. Can you duplicate the sword, like the scene?
I can, but I don't want to ruin anything. So let's work on it
Mm.
together. We'll speed run it together.
You speed run it together. All
Yeah.
right. Next
Or
stream then.
we'll do
Once
one speed run together, one where it's you solo.
me solo.
Yeah.
Damn, but that's a lot of pressure, dude.
You think so or no?
No. I got you. I
Okay.
try my best. I try my best.
All
Right.
right.
But all right. So
So let
just
me tell them what else we have. So after this, after these speed runs, we're gonna do a bit manipulation problem, and then after that, we're gonna do a medium problem. Our first, actually, we try to do a medium problem like one of our first streams, but after that, we're gonna do a medium problem. So
yeah.
at the end, we're gonna do a medium problem. We're excited for that one. So that's a little rundown of what we're planning on doing today. So,
Yes.
all right,
Yes.
Jose,
All right.
which
All
one?
right.
Which one do you want to work on together first? We'll try to get it under five
Oof.
minutes.
Oof. 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 Oof.
This
Let's
one or
go
the
with
second
this
one?
one. I feel
Okay.
like this one works. This one works.
Now, should
Or
we
not? Do you
start the
want?
5 minutes after we read or
I was gonna
before?
say that. I think after we read.
Okay, let's read it. Let's
Yeah.
understand it. Because look. Sorry, let me go off track real quick. When solving a Rubik's cube, right? You look at it before, and then you set it down,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then you
You
start
start
the
the
problem.
timer.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yeah. You
So
have to understand the
hold on,
problem first.
hold on. Let me show you. Look. Okay. See, it's all mixed up, right? Or it's all mixed up. So you look at it, right? And you're like, oh, okay, I could twist it left, right, and whatever. And then you solve it. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm down for that. Because I was gonna ask you
hold
the same
up.
thing. Like, do we start the?
My speaker is off.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah. All right.
So let's
Yeah,
go.
because I
I'm
was
ready.
gonna ask you the same thing. Like, do
Yeah.
we start once we code or once we understand the problem? But I feel like we first have to understand the problem and then boom. Mm. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. You're right. We're trying to start middling a little bit of medium problems here and there. At least one every week or something. Try to get used to it, and from there, boom, we're going up.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
hopefully. All right, you wanna read the problem,
Yeah. Let's
and
get it.
then yes. All right, man. Go
Ready?
go for it. Go for it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is problem. Hold up. This is problem 2956. Find common elements between two arrays. You're given two zero-index integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, of sizes n and m, respectively. Consider calculating the following values. The number of indices I such that 0 is less than or equal to I, which is less than n, and nums1 at index I occurs at least once in nums2. The number of indices I, such as 0 less than or equal to I less than m, and nums2 at index I, occurs at least once in nums1. Return an integer array answer of size 2 containing the two values in the above order. I'm going to be real with you. I didn't understand a single thing. I was just reading it. So let's go into the examples. Let's see if I understand it a little bit better. So,
All right. Fair enough. Fair
example
enough.
1. Nums1 array is 432, 31. Nums2 array is 22, 52, 36. The output is 3, 4. We calculate the explanation is we calculate the values as follows. The elements at indices 1 and 2 and 3 in nums1 occur at least once in nums2. So the first value is 3. Okay. The elements indices 0, 1, 3, 4 in nums2 occur at least once in nums1, so the second value is 4. Okay, I see that. Example
Mm-hmm.
2, nums1 we have 3, 4, 2, 3, and nums2 we have 1, 5. The output is 0, 0. Explanation: there are no common elements between the two arrays, so the two values will be 0. Question:
Uh-huh. Yep, yep.
Do does the first index in the output have to be based off um the elements from nums1 that are found in nums2, or can it be switched around?
What do you mean?
Like, they mention from example 1 that indices 1, 2, and 3 in nums1 occur at least once in nums2. So that's why the first index in that array is 3.
Mm-hmm.
But can it be opposite to where we check the indices 0, 1, 3, and 4 in nums2 and it occurs at least once in nums1, so the value is 4? Like, can we put 4 first instead of 3?
I think it's first the nums one and then nums two, because it says here containing two in the order above. So we have to meet this criteria first and then the other one. So we have to search what numbers in nums one occur at least once in nums two first, get the number, and then find what numbers in nums
Oh, okay.
two
Fine. Or
find the
in
number.
nums1. Or
But I'm
nums1.
a little bit confused in this one. The elements at indices 0, 1, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 4. No, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nums occur at least one in the num. So the second value is 4. How is it 4 though?
Because, let's see. Because 2 in nums2, the first index 2 occurs once in the nums1 array.
Mm-hmm.
The second element, which is also 2, occurs once in the num1 array. And then
Mm-hmm.
the next value that's found in nums1 is 2 again, and that occurs once in the nums1 array. And
Mm-hmm.
then lastly, number 3 in nums2 array occurs once in the nums1 array, so that's the last one, which it all equals up to 4. It'll be
Oh, how
this,
many number? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, never mind.
and
Okay,
I
I thought we had to find the number.
and I think
Like
it'll
the
be
number
the
at the first.
I think it'll be
Okay.
the
Okay.
same. Is that if 2 was twice in the not wait if 2
Mm,
let me see. At
mm,
elements 1, 2, and 3, nums won't occur at least once. Oh, it's at least once. Okay. Okay.
at least the
Yeah.
one. So
So if
once that we
if
hit
there's
it,
multiple in the array, you just count at least one. Okay. Cool.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
That makes
All right,
sense.
but yes. Just a little few comments. Judo's recommending to use sets, right? First of all, welcome Judo. Welcome to stream again.
Judo, what's up? What's up?
Yeah, and first year was giving us a tip of the empty array zeros, and yes, I do remember that. I know you told us. Ooh, I don't remember what specific problem, but I do remember you telling about the empty zero array. Yes. All
Okay.
right. So how do you want to approach this one?
Uh. So.
We can do a dictionary, no?
Oh, remember, this is speedrun. This is
Uh
speedrun.
huh.
So,
Uh huh.
do we think about? Do
I
we
think we
think
just code. We don't. Not even pseudocode. We
we
speedrun,
just
no?
got to think about it right now? Like, we start the timer?
Nah. I think so. Go for it, no?
Okay, bet. Let's do it.
All
Ready?
right.
You see the
So,
timer at the
all
top,
right.
right?
Yes. All right.
Okay.
So the thing is, we have to finish this problem of before 5 minutes, under
Yeah.
5 minutes, right? And no, I'm down to go.
All right,
Ready?
you ready?
3,
2.
About 5 minutes? Oh,
We
7
got it.
minutes, 7 minutes,
No,
7
wait,
minutes,
5. 5, 5, 5.
5? Okay, 5, 5,
Okay.
5, 5. All right, go for it.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
What are you thinking? Well, we
I'm
gotta
doing a for
think.
loop. For
Okay.
in. No, okay. So we think in the spot. We think on the spot. For in. So I'm doing a for loop. I want to loop through the nums1 array and nums2 and figure out which ones we have. You get me?
Huh.
It just like a loop. Do n squared first.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
loop through nums1.
Nums
And
and
then
rain in nums1. And then
and
we no
you add it to
for
a dictionary?
it's because we do a dictionary, but I'm not really good with dictionaries. I think that I feel we're gonna lose time doing the dictionaries.
It oh wait. You could compare, you could loop through nums2 and compare if I in nums2 is in nums1, then improve the counter.
Okay.
And then you just run another loop. Like you don't have to do a nested one.
Yep. In right, and there you
But the
go.
thing is if there's repeated numbers, it's gonna keep improving the counter. So that we need to figure out a way to stop the counter.
We can do Boolean. We can do
Return true, and if true, add 1.
yeah.
Wait, no, it would just say if
We can
I
do.
in. Wait, no.
I mean, if i's in nums2. No, wait. No. It's good. It's good. Because it's just gonna check if it's in there. It's not gonna check how many times
Yeah, but if
it
there's
is in there.
okay, yes,
Yeah, because
I think you're fine.
Yeah, you get me.
Yeah,
I think
you're
we're good.
fine.
I think we're good.
Okay.
All right. All right. Okay. So we
Capital
did this
C.
one. Okay. And we have to do. Can we just return a dictionary?
Um.
Oh, another dictionary, a list.
A list, maybe. No,
Like
it'll
this.
be bracket. It'll be bracket.
Bracket.
Yeah.
All right. Let's
Let's
run
test
it.
it. Let's test it.
Okay.
You're... No way.
Alrighty.
Holy
Under 3
shit.
minutes. Under 3 minutes.
Sorry. My bad. Yo, my bad.
Get the
Yo, that's on
bro.
me.
Bro, you're getting exposed. You went
I can't believe.
Hollywood, bro.
No, that's on me.
You went Hollywood on me, bro. No. I'm
No,
kidding.
I'm sorry. Stop the timer.
No worries.
Oh, it is stopped. Okay.
Let's stop. Ooh. Hey, bro, that was a good one,
Dude,
All right.
I was so nervous.
That was good. Hey, bro, don't be nervous. I'm the one typing. I should be nervous.
I was nervous at you typing.
What? What do you mean?
It was shaky, man. It was shaky. But I would be shaky too. So I can't blame you.
I have to say my typing is kind of bad. You know, my letters are over the place. But yeah, I get you.
Holy smokes!
Hey,
I can't believe we got that.
Kyra just complimented your mic.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
So let's review it. Now let's review it.
All right. I don't know if you want to improve it because I think, like Judo said, we could do it with dictionaries. But I don't know.
I think we're fine. Like
Think
since
we're fine?
we did a speed run on it. I'm cool
Mm-hmm.
with just keeping it like that
I'm
and going
cool.
on to the
I'm
next one.
cool.
But we could
All
at
right.
least review it and explain it.
All right. So, so just to go over it, we're giving two arrays, and we have to figure out how many numbers of the first array repeat on the second array, and vice versa. We have to find the how many numbers in nums2 repeat in nums1. So in order to do this, right, we loop through the first array, which is nums1, and we check if it's in nums2. If it is in nums2, we just add +1, right? So we keep track of how many numbers repeat, how many numbers in nums1 repeat in nums2. Pretty much the same thing is here, but we just switch up with nums2 with nums_now, because now we're checking the numbers in nums2 on how many numbers in nums2 repeat on numbers on the list of nums1, and we keep a counter and we return its values. The value of how many numbers we repeat on nums2, first counter, how many numbers in nums2 repeat in nums1, second counter.
Yeah.
So yes.
Damn.
All right. First year, what is list comprehensions? Sounds interesting. But yeah,
Dude,
yeah,
that's crazy.
that
I
is
got
good.
so
That is
hyped.
good. You did, bro. You
I was
did,
nervous.
bro.
I was
You,
nervous.
you almost went to Hollywood on me, bro.
My bad, my bad.
No
I'm gonna
worries, no
bleep it.
worries,
I'll
no.
bleep it in the
Your
edit.
bleep.
Yeah.
All right. So first one down. This is problem 2956 right here. So if you guys have any other solutions that you want to put it, because this is speedrun, we basically did, we forgot about everything. We just did what we had to. Have better solutions, put them on the chat, put them on the comments, and we'll look at it for sure, for sure.
All right. Let's go to the next one.
All right, next
Well,
one.
after this one, we might go back and review.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, so
You want to do this one
go for it.
together again, or how do you feel?
Ooh, you tell me.
I think so.
You think so? All
I
right, all
mean,
right, all right.
if you liked it, I think so.
I think so too.
Okay, bet.
All
You want
right,
me to start
bet.
reading?
For sure. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just to reiterate for people that are coming in, we're speed running this question right here. So we're gonna work on it together. We're gonna try to get under 5 minutes. We never really done this before, so we don't really know what to expect. So let's get started. 1920. Build array from permutation. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what that means. Given a zero base permutation nums zero index, build an array A and S of the same length where A and S index I equals nums indexed I. For each 0 less than equal to I less than nums.length and return it. Oh, whoa, I'm getting distracted, man.
No,
What's
I'm
going on
sorry, I'm
over
sorry, I'm
there?
sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm
All right,
sorry,
it's all
sorry,
good, it's
sorry,
all
sorry,
good.
sorry, 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 sorry.
I gotta, like, distracted me, man. No,
I'm
I'm
sorry,
joking.
okay, I'm
I'm
sorry, I
joking. I'm joking.
apologize.
And then a zero base permutation nums is an array of distinct integers from 0 to nums.length minus 1 inclusive. I hate that word inclusive. Only because I don't know what it means. Okay, example 1. You know, I heard it a lot in data structures. Inclusive, exclusive, and I was like, what? Or I heard it in
You want me
somewhere
to
else.
explain?
No, no. Yes,
All right,
yes.
fair enough, fair enough.
Yes, I do. Actually,
Inclusive,
I've heard it a lot in math. Keep going.
for example, inclusive means that we include those numbers. Like we include 0 and nums.length minus 1. We include them on the data set that we're going to work on. Exclusive is that we forget about them and we just work on what's in the middle. Because we're excluding them, we're removing them out. We're including them.
All right.
No?
Yeah.
Little bit?
Yeah, a little bit, a little bit.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. All right, but continue.
Okay. So example 1, we have an input of nums, which is 0, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. And then we have an output of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Explanation: the array ANS is built as follows: nums index. Okay, I can't even. Nums index at
Okay.
nums 0, comma nums. What?
It's confusing, isn't it?
You go ahead. Go ahead. Take over.
Okay. So to my understanding, we first have to do this, right? We have to go num0. So we go to position 0, right? We grab whatever it is, right? And we go num0. So our answer is we're creating an array of we're using the elements in the array to create another
Oh.
array. If that makes sense.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So for example, num0, we're gonna go to index 0, which is
Yeah,
sys,
0.
right? Now we have nums0, and we're gonna equal it to this. So
0.
now we have
Okay.
0.
Okay.
Our second element right here is nums1. We go to 1, right? We go to nums2, 0, 1, 2, and we equal it right there.
Nums 1, 2 goes to nums 2, 0, 1, 2, 2. Okay. And then index nums 2 is 1. We go to index nums 1, we add 1 to that. Nums 3, index nums 3, 5. We add nums 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. Keep going, because I lost it.
All right. Okay. So it's basically doing here. So we go to num0, right? We grab 0, index 0, right? So now we have 0 here, num0. We go nums1, we get 2, we get nums2, right? We go nums2, we go this one, we get nums1. Nums3, we go to nums3, which is 5, and we have nums5. We have nums4, we go to 4, and we go to 3, we have nums3. We go to nums5, which is 4, we have nums4. Now that we have all these values, we're going to repeat the same process, and we have to create a new array. So we go to nums0, right, which is 0, nums2, which is 1, so that's why we have our 1, nums1, it's 2, so that's why we have our 2, nums5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we go 4, that's why we have a 4, nums3, 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 5, we go to 5, nums4, right, we're going to go 4, no, we're going to go 3, 3. So basically, we're using the data, right, the elements as indices to create another array with those indices.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, read the comment first Shield did, wrote, it's about inclusive, exclusive. I got it wrong too. So
Inclusive, you get from 1 to 10. Exclusive, you get from 1 to 9. Okay. So it's the
that makes
last
sense.
value. You don't add it if it's
Yeah.
exclusive, inclusive. Okay, cool. Thank you for
Cool.
sure. Appreciate it.
Thank you, first Shield. Thank you.
All right, another reminder.
Okay.
We're trying to do this speed run. So, should we? That's it. We should start already.
No. Oh, okay. I was waiting for the go. Okay. Bet.
You think so?
Ready?
I don't even
In
have
3.
an idea what I'm gonna do.
Okay. You want to explain a little bit more?
I mean, no, I understand what the problem's saying, but I just don't have an idea.
Okay.
You want to just YOLO? YOLO it?
Hey, you only live once.
All right, speed run time. Let's go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1, go. Okay, so we want to iterate through the array, right? For in nums, right? And from for
Sorry,
in nums,
Mom. We're
right?
speed running.
I'll
get to you in a second.
We have to go. We have to create another array. Is there? How do we create an array?
Just do ARR.
And
yeah,
like
there
this?
you go. There you go.
Okay.
Yep.
So we're gonna go ands nums I.
Do you want to
like
do
this,
range? Why do you want to do range? I'm curious.
because we're doing indices,
Okay, okay.
or we don't even have to do in range, do we?
No, I don't think we want
No.
the indices. We want the nums.
Yeah. I think so. I think you're
Okay.
right. So we do this. Let's see. I
Uh-huh.
want to print it out and see. You just want to run it and see how it goes.
You gotta append. Remember, you gotta do ans dot append. Um, yeah, ans dot append, and then nums parentheses I.
Wait.
I think you got it.
Okay, I think. No. This is nums. And we can delete this. I think this is good because we're getting the indices.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
And
this
then,
works.
yeah, see it?
Yeah, run it.
Oh, yeah. No way. No way. Let's go. 2 minutes. Sub 3 minutes.
Sub 3
Let's
minutes.
go.
We had the top solution
Sub
too.
3 minutes, baby.
Damn.
That's too easy.
This one
was too easy.
It was a little bit too easy. I have to admit, it was a little bit too easy.
No way.
It was a little bit too easy.
Like,
but hey,
it sounded complicated, like reading it. But when he actually started coding it, it was like, yo, we just need to.
Yeah, we just have to get the index and just append it to the thing.
Like, why do they have to make it look all like nums and nums 0, comma nums 1, and then like just.
It's because, well, to my understanding, I feel like it's because in other languages you can't do this in Python. Like in Python, like in Java, it would be you have to do something like this.
I see. Hi, Mom.
But hey,
thank you. We just finished the problem, so now I could talk. Thank you.
Welcome to the stream.
Thank you.
Yeah, so this one, it was a little bit too easy. I have to admit, it was a little bit too easy.
We gotta do another one. There's no way. Ooh. Or you just want to move on? Let's move on.
I don't know. You tell me. You want to do another one?
No, I think we should move on. We got a medium problem later on.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I was thinking about it because this counting bits, it's a tough one. I feel like it's gonna be a tough one. It's gonna.
So let's explain it. Let's explain it really quick, and then
all right,
we'll move on to the next problem, which is a bit manipulation problem. We're not gonna speed run it. We're gonna make sure to do our pseudocode and stuff, and then remember at the end we're gonna work on one of the first medium problems. So no more. No more easy. We might incorporate some medium problems. So let's get it going.
Yes. Also, before we I don't know if you want to, but before we move on to the content bits, first Shield gave us a solution for the first problem, and it looks interesting. It's using list comprehensions, and we used it before, and it looks interesting. I don't know if you want to go over it a little bit.
Yeah, let's explain the solution real quick.
Yeah, for sure. So basically, this problem we're given an array, right, nums, right, and as you can tell, we're giving different. The elements are within the range of the indices, right? So we start from 0 to 1, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. So we just want to use those indices, right, these elements in the array to create another array, right, using the same indices. For example, we're gonna grab the first value 0, right, and we're gonna grab whatever that value is and put it on the index 0 of the other value, right, and so on and so forth. So in order to create this, we used an ANS, which is an array, an empty array. We loop through the answers or through nums, giving us each value, right? And we say, all right, give us that index, right? And now give us its value. For example, if we go to index 2, right? We go to 2, right? So let's say we get 2, right? So we go 1, 0, 1, 2. And now we know, all right, let's just append 1, right? So we use the elements to get the other elements, the other numbers, and then we append them. So pretty much we loop through the nums, we get the index, we get the value at that index, and we append it to the end, and we return.
Perfect.
I don't know if I explained that a little bit, because I was a little bit a little all over the place, but hopefully it was good.
No, I think we covered it. So
Yes, sir.
let's review this real quick, and then let's get started on the counting bits.
All right, but just real fast. I just wanna copy this code right here and put it over here. I just wanna explore it a little bit.
Damn, that's how long the code is?
Yeah, yes, yeah. I think this is it. So, quickly. So, to my understanding, this is using list comprehension. So basically, it says I for I in nums1 if I in nums2. So it creates it. Oh,
Okay.
oh, okay. That makes sense. So basically, it says, all right, it condenses all of this into this. I in nums1 if I is in nums2. So basically, if the number is in nums2, add it to the array. Same thing here. If I is in nums1, add it to the array, then we just get the length.
Okay.
So that's interesting. Really, really interesting. And also, he gave us another example for this problem with list comprehension, where he does nums I for I in nums. So basically, that's really, really interesting, and that could be really helpful next for future problems.
List comprehension. Okay.
List comprehension. Wow!
Good
Thank you
stuff.
for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you for sure. Appreciate it a lot. I'm gonna leave it here for reference. Just in case in the future we need to come back. All right, give me 1 second. All right. Time to move to the first.
Before we move, we need to know, because remember, we respect the game. We need to know where we're at. Where are we at in insanity levels?
All right. Ooh, I'm feeling pretty nice. You know, before the stream, I was telling you I'm tired. Today's been blah, blah, right? But right now I feel good. I feel good.
Okay. So, you respect the game. Are you still at 0, or maybe you're at 1? Maybe at 2. We did speedrun 2 problems.
I'm a 1.
We're at high, intensity,
I'm a 1. I'm a 1.
I got you.
Yeah, for sure.
I got you. I'm at, honestly, 1.5. I'm there with you. All
right, fair enough.
Yeah, but I think it looks a little weird, so let me put 2. I'll round it up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Updated our levels. Let's get started on the bit manipulation problem. This one's interesting. So if y'all ever worked with binary, this will be a nice little exercise, little problem. So let's get right into it. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. But
yes, sir. We can still hear you.
All right. So counting bits, 338. Given an integer n, return an array ans of length n plus 1, such that for each I, I'm not going to read that part, ans index I is the number of ones in the binary representation of I. For example, we got input n equals 2. The output is 0, 1, 1. And that's because if you start from 0 all the way to I, you go 0. And the binary representation of 0 is just 0. So there's no ones in that. The next number after that is 1. So then you see how many ones are in the binary representation of that, which is just 1. And then lastly, the last number, which is 2. How does that look in binary? It's just 1 and 0. How many ones are in that representation? It's just 1. So you add it all into the array, which would be 0, 1, 1. Next, we have n equals 5. So again, you start at 0. How many ones are in that binary representation? 0. So you just put a 0 in the array. The next number, you're at 1. How many ones are in that binary representation? There's 1. You go to 2. How many are in that? It's 1. You go to 3. How many ones are in the binary representation? There's 2. You go to 4. Binary representation. How many ones are in there? There's only 1 in there. And then lastly, 5. How many ones are in that binary representation? There's only 2. So that reflects the output of the array. Interesting.
Yep.
I see something
Yep,
at the
interesting.
bottom. If you could scroll down a little bit more so that they could see it. Follow up.
Yep.
There's some follow ups on this that says it is very easy to come up with a solution with a runtime of big O n log n. Can you do it in linear time? Can you do it in O of n? And possibly in a single pass.
I feel like we should focus more on actually solving the problem. Then we can do the follow-up.
Exactly. That's why it's a follow up.
Yep.
Once you're done, you follow up. Can you do that? Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. To be honest, I don't know how to do this one. I'm lost.
Okay.
I like it. Like I don't have any tools in my toolkit for this one. Does that make sense?
Let me help you out a little bit. So, do you remember how to go from decimal to binary?
Yeah, you just have to divide by 2.
And then the remainder, if there's a remainder, then that's you keep going from there, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So, if, let's say you have number 5, you divide that by 2. The remainder would be 1. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it goes into 5 2 times, and that equals 4. And then 5 minus 4, that's 1. So it will start off with 1, and then you got 1 divided by 2, right? And that would be, we got to draw it out. Do we got the 1?
That'd be 0, I think.
We don't got the 1 note set up.
I think I can pull it up.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Quick intermission. We're going to make sure to doodle this for y'all.
Give me 1 second. Oh, they're calling me. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Wait. No. Let me open OneNote first. Got you. OneNote for
Remember that binary system is base 2. Yes. Thank you for that. And then yes, it is a good one. I'm really interested to see what comes out of it. I need to eat a snack, man.
Yeah.
I need a snack.
Dude, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry too, dude. I ate spaghetti today. Best
Really?
thing ever. Yeah, I made it, and I did some bacon on it. Woof.
Bacon.
Some bacon, bro. Add some bacon to your spaghetti, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, trust.
What do you mean bacon?
Bro, put some bacon, bro. It's really good.
Like
Trust.
how sliced up is it?
Oh, like very thin.
Okay.
All right, okay, I got it. Let me see. All right. Okay, I got the OneNote. Just give it 5 minutes to return the call because it was my mom. So
Okay.
give it five minutes. I'll be back. Yes, sir.
Okay. Jose will be back. So let me try to I wonder if I could doodle it for y'all. Let me try to doodle it for y'all. Let me get paint out. And then like that. Okay. All right, sorry, it's a little too bright. Let's see where we're at. Okay, cool. Let's erase this. Sing a song. Ooh, I don't know if you want to hear that first, Shield. I'm gonna be real with you. So let's start it off. Oh, this is too bright. Let's start off with 5. So we have 5. In order to get the binary representation of that, you gotta divide it by 2. So you divide it by 2, and you're gonna get it. Obviously, it's like 2.5. So you're gonna get like, you know how in Python, if you go like this, and then you do 5 divided by 2, and then you're gonna get what is it? 2. It removes the decimal. What's up?
I'm back.
Jose's back.
Sorry.
Jose's back.
I'm back.
Okay,
All
Jose.
right.
I'm just showing them
Yes,
right now on the paint, but we could switch it to you. I was trying to show
no,
them
no, go for it.
Okay. So
Yeah, but
what's up?
can you share your screen through Discord though?
No.
No. Oh,
We should
okay.
just switch it to you.
All right, bet.
Whenever you're ready.
Sing the song. Oh
know,
my
right?
God, bro! The
You're
light.
good?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
We're here.
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my guy. I'm sorry.
I was alone. He was telling me to sing a song. I was like, I'm cooked. It's over.
I'm cooked.
Yeah. So
No,
I was showing
I'm
them
here.
how do we do 5, the big representation of 5. So we did 5, and then you divide that by 2, and then the remainder is gonna be 1.
You don't divide. You use modulus.
Modulo, yeah.
Yes, sir. So you want me to draw it out?
Yeah, draw it out, please.
Yeah. All right. So 5 divided by 2, you get 1, right?
Yeah. And then it's 1
as a
modulo
remainder,
2, right?
So it's a 1. Oh yes, 1 modulo 2, you get 0.5,
Which is 0,
which is 0.
right? And then you do 0 divided by 2, and that's the one. That's what I'm getting caught up on.
Yeah, bro, I forgot I do binary. What the heck?
Because 5 in binary is 1, 0, 1.
Damn. You wanna search it up?
Yeah, you can search it up. Yeah.
No. All right. How to turn binary into decimal to turn decimal binary. I see. This little refresher. Oh, okay, right here. So we do 221, so we get 1. 210, 0, 251. 1. Right. So 1, 0, 5, 1. Then we get 2 here. 0. You get 0, 0 divided by 2 is 1. 10, 5.
You getting it? I get it. Ready?
You get it?
Yeah. So
okay,
go back to the photo.
No, yeah.
So 10 goes into 21. Oh. No. Is it? Which one is it? Oh, yes.
2
that goes into 10 times 2. That's 20. That's the highest 2 would be divisible of 21. It's 10 times.
Yes, it's 1.
So 1. And then that, obviously, you could do 5 times 2. That's 10, so it's 0. Now you're at 5. And then 2 goes into 5. It can only do twice, which is 4. And this remainder of 1.
I see. It's not modulo. We do divide.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I see. Thank you. My bad. I questioned you. I'm sorry.
No,
apologize.
bro. I question you. You question me. It's all good.
Oh.
We find the answers at the end of the day.
That is true. That is true. Yeah, but I do feel bad because I sometimes I question people and I'm the wrong one. I'm like, damn.
Dude, I do
Yeah.
that all the time. But that's the only way you learn.
Yes, sir.
That's one of the ways, not the only way. Okay, where are we at?
2 point. It goes in 2 times with a remainder of 1, right? With a remainder of 1, which equals 1, right? So we go 2 divided by 2, 0, remainder of 0. No, it goes in 1 time with a remainder of 0, which equals 0. 1 goes in 2 goes into 1, 0.5, and I think this is your remainder. Yeah. So we go
No.
0 times, and then it has with a remainder of 0.5. That's why you get a 1 here. Now you get 0
No.
divided by 0.
Nope.
0 remainder 0 equals 0.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
No.
No. Uh-huh.
So 2 can't go into 1.
Yeah.
So it's 0.
Uh-huh.
So that means the remainder is 1. Because
No.
you're trying to do, how many times does 2 go into 1?
Yeah.
0 times.
Uh-huh.
So what's left? 1.
No.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
I think so.
Cause let's see. Uh let's see. It's cause I don't think so. Remainder 1? Or maybe I might be wrong.
You could still go. You could say, okay, the remainder is 0
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
0 goes into 0, 0 times,
Yeah,
0.
remainder 1. Yeah, for sure. Remainder of 1. So yes. So it's 1. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. You're right.
Because 0, 1, 0, 1 is still 1, 0, 1. Right?
Yeah.
It just,
So it goes.
you could drop down that 0 and keep 1, 0, 1.
Yep.
So, okay. So then now that we got that, now we just got to do that for each from 0 to I. And we see how many ones are in that.
Okay. I'm down.
Okay?
Yep.
So,
All right. You want to pseudocode it?
yeah,
Pseudocode
pseudocode.
this?
Yeah.
All right. So
Good
first
stuff.
it's for yeah, good stuff though. Good stuff. Yes, sir. For I in range of 0 all the way to n, right? Because we're going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or on to n.
My
No.
bad. I've been snacking on the side. I was
Hey,
saying
no
yes,
worries,
so
no
I
worries.
was saying yes.
You're good though.
I was shaking my
No
head,
worries.
so I was saying yes.
All right, but we bet. It's because I have you on the stream, but the stream is like a few seconds behind. So, all right, but yeah. So we got this, right? From there, I was thinking a while loop. While, right? So, okay, I'm thinking. Let's see. Let's explore. We have quotient. Quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. 0 equals 0. And we're gonna go while quotient and remainder there do not equal to value of do not equal value greater than 0. Right? Something like that, something like that, something like that.
Okay.
Right? Because once we hit that, that's 0. We've reached 0. Right? Makes a little bit sense?
A little bit. I'm trying to see where you're going with it before I give an input.
Yeah. All right. It's because a while loop, we're gonna iterate through this. For example, now we're gonna do if I modulo 2 equal 1. We're gonna keep a counter. So I'm gonna move this a little bit down. Right, so we're gonna check if we have 1. If so, counter plus equals 1. So we're gonna do that, right? Once it hits that 1, we hit it. Quotient quotients becomes I divided by 2. Remainder equals I divided modulo 2. And I feel like that's how we roll. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think?
I was thinking that each time you start from n, then you do the test. Hold up. We're getting some error. We should be fine now, but the stream was
Are you
slowing
guys
down a little bit.
yes, the chat. If you guys can you guys tell us if you guys are suffering a little bit of buffering or something? Because we are getting something over here. But yeah, if you guys feel any interruptions, please let us know so we can quickly fix it. Right? Or try to at least.
I think we're good now. Okay.
Yeah. All right, but
Sorry. So
no worries.
I was thinking for like you said, we do I to n, and then when we're it needs to we start at 0, and then we do the quotient remainder thing, and then we just get the remainder. Like we oh yeah, you're right. Well quotient. Okay. Yeah, you're onto something.
You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you gotta loop through. You gotta add it to an array, right? And then you loop through the array.
Yes.
And then you see how many ones that are in the array.
We can just keep a tracker. We can go tracker will equal 0, right? And we're gonna go r at position tracker will equal counter, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, bet. And the tracker is actually going to be outside the for loop. Right over here. And we're going to go like that. I don't know if this works. You think so?
I like that because that way you don't have to use an array and then loop through that. You could just do it while you're getting the
Mm-hmm.
you're
Yeah.
getting the remainder.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you are using ARR.
Yeah, but we're gonna create another array called ARR, and we just say, all right, go to index 0, put the first number in there. Index 1, put the whatever the counter is. Put 2, put whatever the counter is for that number. If that makes sense.
So you're saying that if there's a one remainder, if remainder equals one,
Uh-huh.
add it to.
No, we're gonna keep a counter of how many ones we have,
Okay,
which
and
is
then
this one
once
right
that's
here.
done, once you have the full counter, you append it to an empty array.
Yeah, we can append it to an empty array. Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Yeah. We don't even need a tracker. We're just gonna go, bro. It's a Java, bro. Telling you, like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's outside the while loop.
Yes, outside the world.
Okay. Yeah, I like that.
Is it gonna work? We don't know. Are we gonna try it? Of course. No, this is the magic where we have to explore. We have to wander around the unknown lands. All right. So you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You sure?
If you see me looking to the side, that's because I'm trying to figure out this stream stuff. But I'm still trying to
All
be
right.
here.
All right, but no. You do you. You do you. No worries. Length R. We can also, yeah, for sure. For the loop, we can do length R. You're right. You're right. First shield. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I'm gonna use that for in length R, right? I don't know if that's how you spell quotient.
Nope. Almost.
How-
QUOT
Quotient.
something. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Uh,
Also, that
uh,
loop. I don't know if that works for the outer loop.
what do you mean?
Like what? There's no array. Like why do you?
Oh, okay. That's so true. Yes.
But I think
Yes.
First Shield was talking about a different
Yeah.
scenario.
Yeah. Something else. Yeah. My bad. There we go. Wow. And can we do this? Is greater than 0. We can do. Well, I'm just safe measures. We're gonna
Now
go.
I have a question,
Mm-hmm.
and I think you can do that. You could just say and it will do both.
All right. Okay. I'm just gonna do that.
Do we need the remainder to be greater than 0? Do we need to
Yeah.
check that?
Whoa. I
Or
was
greater than equal to
doing.
0?
I think this one for this one
Okay.
right here,
Oh
because we
yeah.
have 0 and 0. Yeah. So once we hit that the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 0, is that we're at the very, very end.
Okay.
That we're working with 0. Also, First Shield brought up a good point. We're gonna get an error with the 0, which is this one.
Well, you. Oh, so then not greater than equal to 0. It's just greater than.
Yeah, greater or equal to 0. But I think that should cover it. Not sure. Because we're not gonna hit 0.
I think you have to put while quotient is greater than equal to 0 and remainder is greater than 0. Or no, while quotient is greater than 0 and remainder is greater
Uh-huh.
than equal to 0. That means quotient will never hit 0. And you don't run something and get the 0 division error.
All right, fair enough.
But remainder
guess.
could equal 0.
Yeah. Yeah.
Something like that, right? That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. I think so.
Okay.
Yes. Yep.
Now we could do
The while loop. The if
the code. Yeah.
modulo 2 equal no. Is it equal? No.
Yeah, it's double equal. Yeah.
Double equal. Okay. Equal to 1. I forgot
Oh,
to create the counter.
also, First Shield, if you could let us know if there's any issues with the stream, because I'm receiving that there is an error. So I just want to make sure it looks good. If you could please let us know that, that'd be great. Thank you. Explica.
Huh?
Explica.
What's explica?
Explain, right?
Oh, explica.
Yeah, explain.
Okay, so basically, so if um if if the remainder does equal to 1, right? We get a counter plus 1, right?
Yeah.
For example, in here, in 5, we got a remainder of 1. On 1, we get a remainder of 1. So we're going to keep counting of those. And if that's the case, actually, this thing goes over here. If that's the case, we add the 1. If it's not, we just skip it, and we figure out what's the quotient, right? The quotient being this 2, this 1, right? And we get the remainder, which is, in this case, 0 or 0, pretty much, right? And we check again, if quotient greater than 0, remainder 0, all right. Then we go boom, we get we divide by 2. If it's 1, we good. If that makes sense.
Now, whenever you get the quotient, you're
Uh-huh.
gonna get I divided by 2. Is that gonna be a decimal?
I
And
don't think so, but
also,
we can do int. We can cast it. We
or
can cast a number. I think so. I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, and what else?
and also, the quotient doesn't need to be rounded up or rounded down.
It just has to be the quotient. It just has to be the number. Like the how many times 2 goes in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. To my belief. I might be wrong, but I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we go append. No. Bro, I'm scared, bro. I don't know if this is gonna work.
I'm not too sure either.
Like this?
Yeah,
Not too sure
append is
either.
spelled wrong.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go. I'm not sure. I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, you wanna run it? Yes.
You also got to put a 0 if there's no I's, if there's no ones in the element n.
What do you mean?
So if there's no ones in the binary representation, you got to put a 0 in the array.
Oh yeah, for sure. If yeah, for example, in the case of when we have 0, quotient is not gonna hit the while loop. It's gonna skip it and it's gonna append the counter. Which is 0.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Let's see.
Oof.
In range. Oh wait. For
Oh
I.
no. Uh.
Okay.
Okay, we got nothing. Okay.
You didn't return anything.
Bro, you're so smart, bro.
It's all good, man.
Dude, today's not my day, I'm telling you. We got 0. We got 0. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Let's see.
That means it's not, the while loop's not running, eh? Oh, it starts at 0 and the remainder is greater than or equal to 0. So the while loop's not going to run because we initialize them at 0.
No. Right here. Right here.
Look at line number 11.
Uh-huh.
What's the value of quotient right now?
0.
Is the while loop going to run?
You're smart. You're smart. You're smart. You're smart. Okay, wait. Yeah, for sure it said the same thing. Yeah, thank you for sure, and thank you, Carlos. I didn't see it. Yep. Okay, so now we have to figure this thing out.
Don't you do the calculation first and then check if while is greater than or equal to?
No, but we have to check. It's because we always start at 0, right? So we're gonna assume 0. This is work 0. Then this thing is gonna work its magic.
But you do the calculation if I divided by...
Yeah, I get you. Yeah. I see. Yeah. So we have to check beforehand, right? If I is not equal to 0, right? Because we don't, because if it is 0, we don't want to divide with zeros, right? Two.
No, I was thinking we do the calculation first.
Yeah.
I modulo 2.
Okay. Okay. And then?
No, you could say remainder equals I modulo 2. Right?
Okay.
And then quotient equals I divided by 2. If while quotient greater than blah 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 blah, keep doing the thing, right? Or can you do that all in while quotient while I divided by 2 greater than 0 and while I divided by 2 is greater than 0 and remainder modulo 2 is greater than or equal to 0, then keep doing it. Right?
Yeah. I mean, it's the same thing we had here, no?
Yeah, but you're not doing the calculation as a test case. You're doing it after the test case is quotient greater than 0. We want to check if we want to do that calculation before that, right?
Let's see. So we do need a quotient. We do need a remainder, right?
Yeah.
So we first get the quotient and remainder, right? Which is, so we get this. We get the 2 and 1, right? No, where's it? We get the 2 and 1, and then we say if we can even do remainder, right? So we first get the 2 and 1. We get the we check if remainder is equal to 1. If it's equal to 1 plus equal to 1, yes. And then we have to update this once again, right? Where we're gonna do quotient and we're gonna go quotient, right? And we're gonna do quotient over here too. like this. Yeah. So now we're updating the quotient, and then
Yeah.
we're updating the remainder
So
every time we go.
need the initial then. Initial thing on lines 12 and 13 to start it off, and then that's all
we
we needed,
continue
right?
going.
Okay.
Yes, it seems like it. And Trish should give us a little tip that instead of just like starting from 0, we start from 1, so we can avoid that 0 problem. And we just append. We go over here. 0, like this. You get me? So we can avoid, so we can jump. Yeah. And then we go this boom, 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 boom. We do need to restart counter though. Counter does need to restart every integer we have.
Okay.
I'll put it here. Right? Because
Okay.
the counter is gonna keep adding. And
Yeah.
that should be it. And then no. Okay. Okay. So this should work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I don't know. It looks. I think it would work better. It's not that it's gonna work flawlessly, but it would work better. Oh, what is it?
Equals.
I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna cast this into an int, just to make sure. We get 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Okay. Let's think it through. All right, let's do 2. Let's do 2. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got 0. We appended 0, right? Boom. Quotient remainder 2. So now we go to 1. 1. Remainder equals 1. Right. Okay, no. This should work. So we got a remainder of 1. Yeah?
Okay.
And a quotient of 0. I
Wait.
think that's here's where it's
I have a question. We don't need lines 7 and 8 though, right?
I mean, I just did it to initialize them. I don't know
But
if you
you initialize them each run of the for loop,
or
right?
yeah.
Okay. I think. I don't know.
I mean, you want me to raise them?
Yeah, I think so.
Right. And I think this thing should go like this. Because quotient, it is equal to 0. Right? You get me? You can
Quotient.
do r equals 0, and for I in range of 1 go from 1 until n inclusive. All right, bet. Yes, this one. There you go. Just to keep it inclusive, if I'm not mistaken. His n is 5. Yeah. That works. Thank you for show. Thank you. Is it a little bit confusing, Carlos?
Yeah, quotient is the the
Quotient isn't how many times 2 goes into the number,
okay.
right? For example, on 1, quotient is gonna be equal 0, right? Because 2 doesn't go into
Can
1
you print quotient?
0 times. Yeah. Let's see. Print it. What do I'm just gonna put it here. Quotient, and we can do like that.
Okay.
0, 1.
Is that
So
correct?
we got 0, 0 for 1, and 2 and 1 for 1. And we can even do let's see, we can even do value I. We're gonna do I. So whatever, so we can know what I is, and we can verify. So we can run this. Yes. So we got a quotient for 0 and 1 for 1. So we had it like this,
But one
right?
goes into
No,
one.
2. 2 doesn't go into 1 0 times. Go 0 times.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay,
Yes, that's what it. 2, well, 2 divided by 2 equals 1.
okay.
That's why it equals 1. I think
So
our
that's
problem
fine.
was that we had it like this. We had it like this beforehand.
Okay.
In quotient, right? And so he wasn't reading this one. He was skipping it.
Ah.
You get me? So that's why I have to like kind of. I think we have to delete this and leave it like that.
Okay. Let's see.
And then we go if remainder equals 1. We can even print out remainder. You want to print out remainder?
Sure.
Just to verify. So we got remainder of 1, remainder of 0. So we go here. We should get a 1 here, right? And then we update the quotients. And we check if remainder equals quotient divided by 2.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I
Let's see.
I think this works. I'm not sure. Okay, now we got 0 zeros.
Counter.
All right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Um,
Why is counter
do you
printing out 0?
where? Where's counter? Here.
Yeah.
All right. Here it should be 0 1. It should be 1 1, right? And remainder is 1. Quotients. Let's see if we even get here. So I feel I think it's a while loop test case. Oh, we are getting here. Indentation problem?
Why'd you add an extra equals?
I mean, I think that's how it works in Python. Okay, no. I thought it was just an extra equals. This is like a puzzle. I have to figure out where are we going in here. Do we even
Counter is
get?
remainder is 1. Why is
Yeah,
it not adding it to the counter? It's not
because
even
now
going there.
we're not reaching here.
What?
Uh-huh.
But remainder is 1. Why REMAINDR? Or if well quotient or remainder is 1. If remainder equals 1, counter plus equal 1. Oh, I know
Wait, I
why.
think.
Wait.
Uh-huh.
And
Think
um
think so.
I don't know. Well, no, but counter should
Let's.
be incrementing, and it's not. Oh, but it's not even printing hello either. Okay, so that's interesting.
All
Try that.
right, let's
Yeah.
see. All right,
Uh
it's
oh.
taking long. I think we
Uh
didn't get it.
oh.
Yeah. That's not good. My computer's about to explode.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's. I'm
Uh,
confused on the counterpart because
this one?
remainder is 1. We see that in the code. So why is it
Yeah.
not going into the if statement? If remainder equals 1, you know what I'm saying?
Jonathan, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Ooh. Oh, next semester, I got you. I'll be there. I'll be there for sure, for sure. I'll bring Carlos too. I got you. I got you. No worries. I'll be there on the ICPC. So,
Right? Isn't that weird?
um, it is weird because it's because I think it's a for loop. I think it's a while loop. Mm.
Oh, wait. Wait. Yeah, because it starts at 1 and it keeps going until it breaks, but it's never gonna break because we're not. Wait, are we?
Yeah, I think so.
It's never gonna break because it's the value is never gonna go less than 0.
Hmm.
I think that's the first problem, one of the first problems, and then I can't see. This could be solved in what?
In
In
one
one
line.
line. Oh yeah, I'm sure it can.
Yeah,
I'm sure it can.
I'm pretty. Yeah, pretty sure. Pretty sure. Yeah. Now, but we're trying here. We're trying to figure it out here with no help. We're trying to see. Or how we manage this stuff, right? Hey, yes, sir, yes, sir. But if we do get it, we're interested in looking at that solution, at that one line solution. We're down. We're down. Just give us a couple more minutes to work it out, and if you see us really struggling, we might need a little bit of help. But appreciate it. Appreciate it. Alrighty. This gets quotient, right? Mm. 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 Mm.
Remainder, because for me, what I'm stuck on for some reason is that we saw in the printed statement that
Mm-hmm.
remainder equaled 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, quotient was, I believe, 0? I forgot what it was when remainder equaled 1.
Yes. 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 Let me set it up to this so we can see what we're printing out. Yeah, we got that.
Oh, we don't even know what the quotient is. That's why.
Where?
Because we're not printing out quotient.
Oh,
Just so we can see
you
that.
sure?
Just add,
Oh,
oh, you're probably going to do that. Add remainder
there
as
you go.
well. Add all of them.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I got you. I got you. All right, see, let's run it. Let's run it. Oof. Okay, so 0, 1. Yeah, this thing is working nice. It is working nice.
Okay.
Over here.
Right here. And you printed hello after that line. So it ran, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you try that one more time to make sure it does run? Hello 2. There you go.
Hello, Um. Yes. Please
Okay,
print out.
okay. Now,
Wait. Wait.
the
Wait. Wait. Wait.
next.
Wait. 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 Hey, give me
Okay,
1 second. Let me try something out.
okay. Oh, you're smart. You're smart.
I want to see what number, with what quotient am I printing out this little thing? You see, I'm only printing out 1, hello 2, when I'm in quotient 2. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, meaning we're not reaching here because quotient equals 0. So we have to make sure that it's greater than 0. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we have quotient 1, hello 2. No. We need greater or equal to 2. But now, like you said, we hit like a blockade where we just keep an infinite loop. So now we have to figure that infinite loop. If remainder equal 1 plus equals 1, yes, and then we go quotient int quotient divided by 2, right? So we're gonna go 1.
Hear me out. Hear me out.
Okay.
Is it
Go for it.
quotient minus equals that?
Minus equals?
Because let's say the quotient. Wait, we gotta update. Yeah, like you said, we gotta update either quotient or we gotta update the quotient, right?
Yes, all right. Wait, I'm gonna switch. So prepare for impact. Oh, all right. So
Oi.
yeah. Oh, bro, I hate it. I have to figure out a way to put it into dark mode. So we get 5, right? We get 2 and 1. Yes.
Yeah.
We gotta get quotient and divide it by 2. Get whatever it's divided, the quotient and the
Yeah.
remainder. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then okay, we say so in here we're with 1 and 0. 1 is a quotient, right? Okay, so let's start from here since we are working with 1. 1, its quotient is 0, 1, right? So we grab this 0, right? Oh, this 0,
Which is a quotient.
which is a quotient.
And now
We
you
go
do
0 divided by
quotient
0,
divided
0,
by
0,
2.
and it's just gonna keep going 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And then we're gonna say, Jonathan, use Excalibur. I haven't heard about it, but I will look at it because I'm in a desperate need for something that does have like dark mode. Because every time I've switched tabs, it's like a flashbang in here. It's like my face just lights everything up. But
I
thank
wrote
you,
that
Jonathan.
down. I
Thank you,
wrote
thank
that
you.
down,
Yeah,
Jonathan.
write that down. Yes, sir.
Excalibur. Okay.
Yeah, I like the name though. Excalibur. That's a pretty nice name. All right. Okay. So the thing is that we always reach 0, but we never do a test case where.
Do we even know if we're printing out the bit thing
Wait,
right?
I think we can just break. So every time we hit 0, 0, we can break.
Okay.
Yeah, and that I think that will allow us prevent us from going. Okay, never mind. Oh. We're getting where? We're getting somewhere.
You're getting somewhere.
We are getting somewhere, give or take.
You're getting somewhere.
Getting somewhere. Um. Okay, so let's analyze this first. So we go I, then we print the quotient 0, hello. All right, okay. So let me remove this and put this one over here. Let's run it. Okay, so we got 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. All right, yes, because we print this one
The
out, we
same
print
thing.
this one then out, the same thing.
Yeah.
And then we break. So that's good, right? That's good, right? Since let me move this over here then, where this actually makes sense. Okay, here it is. So we go 0, 1, right? So that way we break. And then we go 1, 0. Let me move this one again. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you with moving all this stuff, everything. Hope you don't mind.
I'm trying to catch up a little bit.
No. This is the last edit. After this, we can actually see what's going on.
1, 0,
Is there a way I
0.
can move this up here? There you go. That's where we can see our code side by side. So this is the first print, right? Right here, this one. We go in there, we add +1 to the counter, right? And then we reach here, right? With 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And then we break. We leave it, right? Now we got this one here. So we go in here. You go 1, 0. The remainder equals 1. So we go. So we have 1, 0. We're here in the first one, right? Quotient greater than 1. Remainder greater equal to 0. If remainder equal to 1 plus 1, remainder is not equal to 0. Equal to 1. So we go to quotient. Quotient. Okay, so we do again, right? We go quotient equals int quotient divided by 2, which equals 0, right? And then we get the modulo of. Oh, I see. Because we're updating this and then we're using this to do this. Does that make sense? Because quotient equals 0, right? Equals 0, right?
Yeah.
Because 2, right? Now quotient is equal to 0, yes?
Now
we're using 0 modulo 2. Because now quotient is equal to 0.
And that's wrong.
Right? And that's wrong. That's where we hit it. Where we hit it.
Why are we doing the remainder equals quotient modulo 2 again?
Because we need since 1, we need to find the remainder. If the remainder is 1, we add a +1. So we get the quotient, we divide it by 2, we get the coefficient and the number. Yeah. So here's where we have to figure it out.
Swap it? Like you put remainder on top?
We can do that. Yeah. That would work. Actually, that would work perfectly, I think. All right. I'm gonna run it and see how it goes.
Zero, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
The war ain't over yet. Woo. All right. Okay. But I'm nervous, dude. Because I feel like it's one of those problems where we send it and it's gonna give us more errors and more promises of, and boom, 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 boom.
Oh, how about we add our own test case? Look at case number 2.
I like it.
What does that say?
It looks good.
Do 10.
10? Oof,
or
damn,
let's
right.
do sorry.
Let's do 6. Let's do 6. Let's do 6.
Yeah.
Let's do 6. But first we have to know what how do I test cases? I'm gonna move it over here. And I'm gonna go 6.
And what's 6 in binary?
And 6 and my eyes. It's 1, 1, 0. So it should give us 2.
Okay.
It's 1, 2, 2. It's gonna give us an extra 2.
Okay.
We can do 7 and it's gonna give us 3. I wanna try with 7. You wanna try with 7?
Do 7, yeah. What's up, Michael W? I remember you. You commented.
Hey, yes, sir. We talked about your comment in the beginning of the stream.
We talked about your comment in the beginning, so I appreciate you showing up.
Yeah. Yes, and I do know what bit shifting is, but I don't know how to implement it in code.
Yeah.
So we're kind of hard coding this stuff. Yeah.
All right, let's see.
He gave us 3. He gave us 2 and a 3.
Is life beautiful?
Is life beautiful? Isn't
Come
that
on, man.
beautiful?
I want to get this damn problem over with. Pissed off.
Oh my
You're
god,
kidding
bro.
me. What's the case?
Oh, bro, it's the
Eight
last one, bro.
8,500. What?
It's because I think we took too much time. Oh, I'll put limit exceeded. All right, let me just remove this then.
No way we wasted a submission because we have
Yeah.
print statements. Mother.
Yeah, we had 50 cents.
So now
Damn.
our approval submit or was accepted rate is lower because we had damn print statements.
Yeah,
You're
because
kidding
they
me.
exceeded the bit.
That's
Yeah.
that's pissed me off too. And look at
Yeah.
us. Damn, last place. Last place,
Yeah.
baby.
Yes, praise. We did it though. We did it
Hey,
though. We did it
but
though.
people said don't trust
Hey, that is true.
the LeetCode little graph. But I
Yeah,
mean,
don't.
I don't know. This
I
one's
don't know
very.
either.
They put us in the last.
Dude, that's not, bro.
That's like
Nah,
disrespectful in a way.
dude. That is a little bit disrespectful. I was about to. That's a little bit
It's like they
disrespectful.
know we're streaming and they're like, you know what? Let me just, you know. Oh, first you said explica.
Hey, explica, explica, bro. Hey, you
What
learning
the
Spanish,
what the heck?
bro? We're gonna become a bilingual
We're
channel.
gonna have oh, okay, let's look at this one line
The
solution.
one line
You
solution.
want to
Okay, I'm
explain
gonna
it
copy and
first,
paste.
or what do you want to do?
Yes. Ooh, do
You
you want
can
to explain it
explain it
first?
very like general.
Okay, yes, because it's a
Yeah,
little
very
bit
general.
complicated. So for the people, the audience that barely joined in, we're doing this little problem where we had to figure out how many bits or how many bits or one number bits um the each element from 0 to 5 has. For example, we have n equal 5. 0 has 0, 1 bits. 1 has 1 bit, so that's what we have for 1 here, right? 2 has 1 bit, so that's why we have 1 here. 3 in the binary representation has 2 bits, so that's 2 1 bits, so we have 2. 4, it has one bit of 1 in its binary representation, so that's why we have 1. And 5, we have 2 1 bits, so that's why we have 2. So in order to do this, we basically did we converted each number from 0 to n into its binary form, right? Where we got the remainder in the quotient, and if the remainder equal to 1, we just add +1 to the counter, right? And this keeps going all the way, right, until we reach 0, right? And then we move to the next number, right, which is 1. We do the same thing. 2, we do the same thing. 3, we do the same thing. 4, we do the same thing. 5, we do the same thing, right? And after that, we just append all the counters to the array. This solution, it's a little bit, tough, a little bit complicated, right?
I
But
think
it's, it came from our brains.
I think for me, like what I would have done was like try to figure out how to do the bit conversions first,
Uh-huh.
and then I would have implemented that in a for loop to go from I to N. That's just how I would have because I couldn't do it from like how to like the way we did it. I couldn't do it from this way. I would have to just start like small,
Yeah.
like how to do the big conversion and test to make sure it's doing the right thing, and then I would have came up with that. But that's the only thing I would say about this is I would have approached it differently, but we came up with a solution.
With a solution that it
So
works.
it
It works. It
says
works.
um what is this? Accept does not accept built-in functions. Is go at the bottom of
Um.
the question?
Uh. It doesn't build in functions. That's like a follow up. It's not part of the like problem itself. It's just a follow up challenge that if you can do it without building functions, right? But it's not required to solve the problem, right? But
Let's
yes, if you want to do the follow-up challenges, you will have you can use built-in functions for sure. But just for the purpose of the problem, you can. Yeah.
all right. Let's see if
And
this
here
works.
I have this solution right here. I'm coming out our stuff.
What's bin?
Bin, I think it stands for binary.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I think so. Probably. I might be wrong.
No, that sounds about
But
right to me.
there. You run it and it works.
Of
It
course.
works, it works. We submit it and yep, it works. Yeah. So basically I think
Bin
I'm not sure.
x dot count 1 for x in n plus 1.
Yeah, so
Okay.
basically this loop is this one where we go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
right? And then from here, this is what's it called? The list comprehensions again. This is I think this is a list comprehension
Yeah.
where you get the value, right? You turn it into
Get the
binary,
binary. You count how many
which
ones.
gives, and we count how many ones.
And it's interesting though that you're putting quotes around the 1. Is that assuming that the 1 is a character?
Ooh, that is true. That is
Or that's
true.
just how that function works?
I'm not
That you
sure.
have to specify with quotes. That's interesting.
But it's interesting.
But
But
yeah, that
hey, I
makes
didn't
sense
know
though. It doesn't look
that
that
makes
bad. That
it doesn't look that bad. Yeah,
doesn't look that bad.
yeah. Hey, list comprehensions again.
Good stuff. Thank you,
We
Jonathan.
have to look. Yeah. Hey, thank you, Jonathan. Pretty much, for sure, for sure. Thank you, thank you. Um, but we have to look into list comprehensions. They look really really fun to
They
play
look
around with.
interesting. Okay. Do we want
All
to update
right.
our insane levels before we get into our last problem?
Yes, sir. Let's go for it. Let's go
Okay.
for it.
Here we
I'll
are.
let you do the honors.
So, you want me to go first?
Yep, yep.
After that, I'm a little bit like halfway. I'm like halfway. I'm a little exhausted. I'm a little annoyed that we had
Uh-huh.
to test so many times. Um, I'm gonna say
Uh-huh.
it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say a 6.
A 6. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's just it's a mix of things, you know.
Yeah, no, I get you, I
It's
get
a
you.
mix of things.
Ooh.
It's not because the problem was like necessarily hard, but I don't know. It's just something about it kind of messed me up.
Yeah, it was confusing. It was a confusing problem. Yeah. Um, but for me, um, I don't know.
You can do
I
whatever you want,
think
man. You can say whatever number.
I think I'm gonna go with a 4.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go with a 4.
Is that your final?
Yeah, that's my final. That's my final. 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm
Okay.
not to the point. I'm just like a little bit. Like I feel like I could have done it a little bit better. I know. It just it bothered me. This problem. It bothered me.
You know that's gonna happen plenty more times. Let's see what's going on down here.
Yes.
Uh, here's a previous problem without using built-in functions and using bit shifting. Oh.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So we got confirmation from Jonathan. Yes, when bin converts to binary, it returns it as a string, right? So that's what we have to check if that's what we the double quotes. And then count bits of it. Okay. Okay, for I in range of count 0 while I. Okay. Okay, so he's using what's it, bit shifting. Michael W is doing a little bit of bit shifting. Mm,
See, when they do the what is it called? The greater than sign? I've seen that in the C code, right? But you know, Michael, talking about formatting, YouTube, billion-dollar, trillion-dollar company, whatever. They don't got code blocks in their damn chat. Excuse my language. Like, come on, what is that? But well, it will be a lot better whenever we start rolling out our Discord. Whenever we
Oh
roll out
yeah,
our
yeah, yeah.
Discord, it'll be a lot easier since you could do code
Yes.
blocks over there. So
Hopefully by for our 100 subscriber special, which is
yeah,
gonna be next Thursday, hopefully. We're gonna have a Discord, and we still have to fix some stuff, tune a little bit stuff. But I think we should be able to have a Discord where you guys can like comment, right? So, of course, participating here in the chat on YouTube, but also like if you want to pass like code snippets, links, references, or anything, you guys can send it through the Discord. We'll look at them here and there, but it's still in the works, But we're getting there. We're getting there.
yeah.
This is yes. Okay, so just to go over Michael's solution, so we have an array, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then for I in range, so we loop through the n.
Okay.
Cnt equals 0, while I equals greater than 0. Cnt plus equals I and 1. Okay. So Cnt, I mean, I think it refers to counter.
Okay.
I equals 1. Okay. And then you bit shift certain amounts to the right. Oh, okay.
I would have to look that one off stream because I'm not too familiar. I know like the arrow symbols, but I don't really know exactly what that's doing. But
It's just like a bit shifting. Like it goes 0 1 0 1s. It shifts like all the zeros and all the ones to the right one time,
okay.
right?
Yeah,
And then it checks it. So like I think it like reduces the number from I think it's from 0, it goes to 1, then to 2, then to 3, then to 4, then to 5. So every shift that you're doing is 0 1 2 or something like that. And then this I and the 1 is basically checking all the ones. If it has a 1, plus 1. If it has a 1, plus 1. Yeah, that's interesting. That's very, very interesting. For sure. And then okay. How do you guys use? Well, me personally,
I'll let you go first.
I'm 18 years old. We are students at UTSA, University of Texas at San
Whoa,
Antonio.
too much info. Too much
info? Hey, bro, what do you mean too much
As
info?
if I don't have the beanie on.
Oh, okay, I get you. Hey,
I was joking.
they might not know. They might not know, right?
It's all good.
Yeah, we're students at UTSA here in Texas. Are we self-taught? To some extent, a little bit, yeah.
Some extent.
But most of it's from school. Me personally, right? I don't know, right?
Same. I mean, we learn it in school, and then we're also applying it outside. So we learn a lot outside as well as inside school. So
yeah. And then trying to be back end, front end, or other. Me personally, I want to become a full stack developer. With like I like the front end, the back end, and stuff, all that stuff. So I find it pretty cool, pretty nice. And so that's what I'm striving for. Yeah, for sure. Now I'm gonna pass it to Carlos.
Yeah, for me, I'm 22. What he said about the school, I'm not gonna repeat it because, like Jonathan said, we're gonna get doxxed. I'm not trying to get doxxed, man. And then what's it called? I want to build software, but in the cybersecurity industry. So, hopefully, work on a project or a product that a cyber security company created, and just help make it better. That's kind of what my goal is, and I'm excited. That seems like really a fun thing and perfect for kind of like what I like to do. So that's kind of my idea behind that.
Yes,
So, yeah,
sir.
thank you for joining, Michael.
Yeah,
W.
Michael, and thank you for the support and all the tips and tricks you've been giving us since the Video. We have to come in with video.
We
Easter.
we are approaching. Oh, first shield. Are y'all halfway through college? Yeah, I would say, right?
Uh, yeah, I think so. I think so. Yes, yes, yes.
We got
I
three
think.
more
S-
semesters left or so. One, two, three, four,
Um.
5. Well, we got
Let's
two
see.
summer,
I think we
three
need three
three
more. Three more
full,
semesters. 3 more semesters. I
three
think
full
so.
semesters and stuff.
Yes, sir. I'm just copying Michael's solution into the LeetCode so we can just have it here as a reference
Okay.
in
I
future.
like data, but I don't know. I would have to research a little bit more about that. All I know is I wanna build software. So I want to work on a really good team that all have the same goal to build a really good product that benefits a lot of people's lives. So that's kind of my main thing. I want to improve people's lives with software, whether that be businesses improving their security, or maybe like there's diseases that have little medical devices where it involves coding. So something along the lines of that is what I want to do, and work in a team, of course. So um, yeah, thank you. I hope we're on the right path. This is something me and Jose wanted to do. It was honestly
Yeah.
Jose's idea, and I jumped on it as soon as you said it. I was like, bro, that sounds so cool. Let's do it. And thankfully, I have a lot of experience with like design and like marketing concepts and stuff. So I'm trying to make sure we create good content so that y'all can enjoy. And right now we kind of have two different audiences. We have the people that are like really good or at LeetCode, or they're like obviously not beginners, but they love to come in here and give us critiques and
Tips and
helpful tips
tricks.
and stuff. And then also, I believe I've seen a couple where they're fairly new, and they're learning as well as us, or they're trying to see where they compare with us. And then also, some person told me that it's cool seeing us go through this because they went through the same thing, and they kind of reminisce, and it's like nostalgic for them, so they try LeetCode again to get refreshed on it. And even though they already have their software engineering job or whatever, they thought seeing this and seeing two students um, create something like this, they motivated them to do LeetCode still, and I thought that was pretty cool. So those hearing those things make us want to do this even more, because we obviously want to become better problem solvers. So that's like one of the main goals, but also we want to help others at the same time. So might as well. I mean, I think it was like a kill two birds with one stone type deal. But we might be killing a lot of birds though with one stone. We're accomplishing a lot just by doing this. So I think it was a
Yeah.
really good idea on Jose's part, and we're excited that the community is growing. Let's see, Carl, just saw a couple of your videos. You guys are totally on the right track. Good work coming from a guy who got into Amazon right after university. That's good to hear, man. I appreciate you giving us that motivation that we're on the right track, because that's what we want to hear. We want to make sure we're on the right track. We want to do things that ensure that we take advantage of all opportunities. And then first shield, when we start looking for internship, I already started, but unfortunately I didn't get into one. So we're gonna keep trying. That's okay.
Yes,
We're
sir.
gonna keep
That's
trying, baby.
yes,
Jose, you want to
sir.
answer that?
No, nothing. I just want to thank Carl for that message. I really like. I like that message that you saw of corporate videos, and I thank you for that. And oh yeah, like Carlos was saying, this project was just like an idea, right? I had to convince a little bit Carlos. He was like, "Yeah, let's do it, let's do it." But it took us a couple, like a month to actually start, right? And but yeah, we're here. It came an idea out of nowhere. You're like, why not? Right? Let's go for it. Share our thoughts, our opinions to and our knowledge, what the somewhat knowledge that I personally have with with everybody, right? And to learn and learn. Yeah, that's what we're here. I like when you guys, give us coding and stuff like, hey, do this, do that. I try my best to like cover everything, right? Like, and to understand every little thing because I like that, right? And that's what we're here for. That's why me and Carlos created this channel to document our experiences and to share it with you guys. And no, and it's really, really nice that you guys are here commenting and asking us questions and providing tips and stuff. And yeah, so I appreciate that. And now that we hit 100 subs, I'm more than happy to keep on going, to keep striving, make this channel a good thing for everybody, for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yes, it's crazy how I met Jose. I mean, we had a math class together last semester. That's the first time I met him. So uh, we realized that we had another class together, and
Yeah.
from there we grew a good friendship through that class because it was really difficult. And Jose keeps me accountable because Jose is very structured. He got all his things in place. He knows what he got to do. And for me, I have a lot of things going on, but I work really hard to stay on path. So Jose gives me that accountability factor to where I make sure I stay on path and stuff. Um, so yes, it's great. I'm glad I found a good friend, and we also have many other friends that we've met that are really great,
Yeah.
and we try to bring them up as well as they bring us up. So that I knew that was very important when it comes to computer science because sometimes if you go in solo, it could be a lot more difficult than
It's
building a team.
yes,
So
sir.
me and Jose are definitely doing that, and
Yeah.
um, it's cool because we meet new people and we do things outside of school like run, and we plan on going to have a end of the semester like eating at like a steakhouse or something. So um,
Yes,
that's really cool
sir.
stuff. But the link list video is almost at 2,000. Yes,
It's
yes,
almost. I think we need 100 more.
100
Yeah.
more or
So
so. Yeah,
if you guys want to share it, boom, 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 here and there, break that 2,000 mark, we'll appreciate it a lot for sure.
yeah. And
But
we're
yeah,
we're testing the content a lot. Like the thumbnails, you're gonna see them change a lot because we're trying to figure out like what gets beginners to click, and what gets this niche to click. So that's something we're working really hard on to make sure more people could see and more people could join if they want to participate. But um, I think we want to get ready into our last question. If y'all guys, if
next
y'all guys
question.
weren't here, we start off the stream with two LeetCode problems where we did a speed run on those. Um,
Yep, yep, yep.
and then after those two questions, we just finished the counting bits. It was a bit manipulation question. And then lastly, we have one of our first medium questions that we want to complete. We tried
It's a
this
medium question. Is
our first
there?
stream, our first ever stream. We tried a medium question. We spent 2 hours and 30 minutes trying to complete it, and we didn't get it. So
We did
y'all
get
can't
it.
find that video though because we did it on a different YouTube account.
Oh yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
it's not going to be on our page, but for our first stream we ever did, we did a medium problem. So we're kind of hesitant on doing one, but we want to try it again this stream. So that's the last thing we have for tonight.
Yep.
We're gonna about to do that right now, but please keep asking us questions or whatever y'all need. We'll be more than happy to talk about it.
Yeah, for
And
sure, for sure.
also like the
Uh-huh.
stream, please, because that ensures that we're doing something good, and we want to make sure we're doing something good. Or dislike. If y'all don't like it, dislike. Unfortunately, we can't see how many dislikes,
How many dislikes?
so we don't know how many people didn't like it. But we'll see that the percentage bar is not fully at 100% likes,
Yeah.
so we know we need to improve on something. So do whatever y'all want, but I think we're ready to go into the next one, unless you have more things to say.
No, you said everything. You covered everything, and I'm ready. I'm ready. It's I kind of read over a little. I read over the problem a little bit, and it's gonna be a little bit. It's gonna be
Oh
a little
man,
bit
I don't
tough.
wanna. I don't wanna.
But,
Okay.
but I think we got it. I think we got it. Relax,
Okay.
man.
Okay. Okay.
Relax. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So,
I'm
bro,
sorry. I'm
you're
sorry.
scared. Bro, you're scared of it. You haven't even read it, bro. Come on, bro. Take it one step at a time. Yeah, we
Okay.
got this.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Yes,
Thank you, Michael.
sir.
I appreciate it. I'm sure you're more than
And I
decent,
appreciate
Michael.
it. Yeah, you're more than decent, of course. And but we'll appreciate the help that you're probably gonna give us. Appreciate it a lot. Appreciate it in advance. Yes, sir. All right.
All right.
Let's
First
get it. Let's
shield.
get it.
Yeah, it happens, man. It's going to happen
It
to us right now.
happens.
Let's see. All right. I'm going to start
Woo!
reading. You want me to
Lead.
read?
Go for it. Go for it.
Okay. So this is 167 two sum part 2. I believe we did number 1 already, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So this is input array is sorted. Okay. Given a 1 index array of integers numbers that is already sorted in a non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers index do I say base 1 or just index like 1? How does that work?
This index one, I think.
Index 1
Index
and
one,
numbers
index two.
index 2, where 1 is less than equal to index 1, which is less than to index 2, which is less than equal to numbers.length. So return the indices of the two numbers, index 1, index 2, added by 1 as an integer array, index 1 and index 2 of length 2. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice, and your solution must use only constant extra space.
Oof.
Before I go into the
Damn.
examples, I saw a question
Yeah,
from
right. The insane levels are pretty much like a measurement of how stressed, how insane, how nervous, how more stressed and angry at LeetCode we are. So the higher the level is, the more stressed we are. So
yeah,
right now we're on a 4, Carlos at 6. So we're in the middle, right? But if we reach insane level 10, right, that's where we're like our heads are hurting, we don't know what we're doing, we're annoyed, we're stressed out, we don't understand anything. We kind of call it a stream and we end the stream. But yeah, so
yeah,
it's just like a measurement. Yeah, for
yeah.
sure, for sure.
Like you said, once we hit 10, it's game
It's
over. We're
game
gone.
over.
I'm going
Game
to my
over.
bed. I'm sleeping, crying, whatever I want to do. Um, but we want to make it eventually like a cool little thing where we could like press a button and it shows like we're insane. So that's something we've been thinking about. But as of right now, we just have text over our heads, so that's what it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so going to examples. Example 1, you have a numbers array which is 2, 7, 11, and 15. The target is 9. So then that means the output will be 1 and 2 because the sum of 2 and 7 is 9. So therefore index 1 equals 1 and index 2 equals 2. So we return 1 and 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna let you
Yes,
answer that
sir.
one.
Oh, the stress meter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be a better name, right? But me and Carlos came up with Sane-To-Insane because it kind of rhymes, right? We're like sane, right? We're like calm, we're cool, and then slowly, slowly we're going insane, right? So could it be a little bit confusing? Yeah, yes, I admit that, but it's just like a little playful playing with words, right? So like it rolls out of the tongue, Sane-To-Insane. It's just a little cool name kind of came up in there for sure.
Yes,
But
sir.
but thank you for the feedback. Thank you, thank
Okay.
you.
Example 2, you get to input numbers, which is 2, 3, 4. Target is 6. Output is 1 and 3 because the sum of 2 and 4 is 6. Therefore, index 1 equals 1, index 2 equals 3. Y'all kind of getting the point. Let's see what example 3 is. Numbers array is -1 and 0. The target is -1. So you return the sum of -1 and 0, which is -1. Therefore, index 1 equals 1 and index 2 equals 2. That one's interesting because
Uh-huh.
you you need to return always
The
two
indices.
things, right?
Yeah, the
Okay.
indices.
You need to return always two stuff.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
All
So
right.
what I'm curious, what
Oof.
makes this one different than the other one? I didn't really catch that.
Because this one is ordered, right? The other one was unordered, right? So for the other one, I think it was just easier to work with the data. I think so, if I'm not mistaken, right? But here, first we cannot use constant extra space, right? That's one thing, and the thing is a little bit ordered, right? So you cannot just add two numbers like 2 plus 7, 7 plus 11, 11 plus 15, right? So it's a little bit complicated to work with.
Okay. What else is at the bottom?
Yeah.
Is there more stuff?
There's constraints here
Okay.
in non-decreasing order. There's exactly one solution. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, because I don't want to think of the same approach that we did last time when that's probably not going to be the same thing. We got to try something different, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. My approach, right? I don't know if it works or
All right.
not.
Let me see.
We can have 2 pointers,
Okay.
one in the front, one in the back, and we add. All right. Our target is 9. All right. And we go, okay, 2 plus 15, 17. That doesn't work. We need to go lower, right? So we drop to 11. We drop the the one on the tail to 11 because we need to go lower.
Okay.
11 plus 2, 13. We have to drop lower. So we move the left node, the left pointer to the other one. Then we go 2, 7,
They're
9.
always sorted.
They're always sorted in a descending order.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay,
So
okay.
you get me?
Yeah. Okay.
So that's something that I came up with. I was thinking about it a little bit. So might work, might not work. But I don't know. Maybe.
I mean, that makes sense to me. I thought for some reason I didn't
Yeah.
think they were sorted.
No, I think it tells you here.
I'm gonna be real. I read the
Started
questions,
non-decreasing order.
but I don't like think it.
You
I
don't
don't
process
think it.
it
I don't think it until afterwards.
onto the
So
examples. Yeah,
I read it out of my mouth, but I don't read it. I don't like understand it
yeah,
until after. But yeah, I like that.
yeah,
Good stuff.
yeah. That's what. It took me a while though. It took me a while. And thank you, Jonathan. But it took me a while. It took me like a good 30 minutes trying to work with it. Boom, boom, boom. And I was like, you know what? Let's try it. I haven't coded up. I haven't done anything, right? But that's something that came up to me.
I mean, it makes sense. You're like, okay, we need to go lower, so remove the tail because the tail has the highest numbers, right?
Yeah,
And then, oh, you need
yeah.
to go higher. Well,
Remove
then move
the
the
right,
head, or whatever you
the
want to
head
call it,
to yeah.
the other pointer. Okay.
Yes, yes. And the name of the question is two sums two, two sums two,
Yeah.
number 167. And a while, like 30 seconds. No, I have to admit I did it before stream. While we were looking at the questions, while I was looking for the questions, I ran into this one and I was thinking about it for a good 30 minutes, right? So it might have looked like I did it in 30 seconds, but it took me a while.
All that matters is that you got it. You figured it out.
I mean, I
So,
haven't. I haven't. I have not. I have not.
oh, okay.
It's a theory. It's a theory. It's a theory. It's a theory. Yeah.
Oh, look, this is a big tip, a big advice.
Ooh.
Anytime you see
Okay.
that an array is sorted, you should be thinking one of two things, either two
Is it
pointers or binary
2 point?
search. Huh.
That's interesting. That
And
is
in fact, you
interesting.
could also solve this problem with binary search, but 2 pointers is more effective. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like I
Oh.
mentioned, I read stuff, but I don't take it in until after. Yeah, but you're right. It's right there in bold and in font 15 size, and I didn't even realize it was sorted. All right, I'm ready to get it going. You want to write some pseudocode?
Okay. Yeah. You want to do it in OneNote
I think we should do it, and I
here?
don't think it involves OneNote. I think we're
All
cool.
right. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right.
Okay,
Let's see. Let's see.
so
Let me think about it.
we need
Yeah.
two different pointers, right? Pointer variables.
Yes, but it's not gonna be like a linked list pointer. It's just gonna be like an index. You
I
get me?
just okay, yeah. So two
Yeah.
variables.
Yes. So we're gonna go. Uh. So we're gonna go head.
PTR1 or yeah, head sounds
What
better.
kind of head?
No,
Okay.
head sounds better.
Okay. We're gonna set it 0, right?
Uh huh.
And then we're gonna go tail. We're gonna go
Length numbers.
numbers,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, for I in range. Wait. How would we work on this one? Oh, we need a while loop. While. Mm, I'm thinking.
No, this ain't pseudocode. I mean, this is pseudocode, but write it out in the explanation.
Oh, head. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Head. We equal to start of array. Tail equal to the end of array. Yeah.
Then you compare the head and tail.
Yes.
If
Okay.
if that is greater than the target value, we want to lower down the tail.
So if it's greater, we have to. Okay.
Yeah, and then vice versa. And it would be
Okay.
head plus tail on line 10.
Oh yes.
Okay.
There you go. There you go.
And then that just keeps checking to see like if head plus tail
Uh
equals
huh.
target, then it stops. Right? You
Yes.
don't need
Yes.
anything
Yes.
else or no? If you keep
Mm,
moving and there's always gonna be one solution, so we can't there's no case
but
where
we. But what if there is no solution,
there's always
or
one
is
solution.
there? Okay.
I read that part.
Okay. So yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough.
That
So
looks
you're gonna
good to
do.
me, right? I don't think there's anything
Yeah.
else.
No. What is it? List? No. Numbers.
Numbers.
Right.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go. We're gonna do a while because we have to keep looping, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we have to keep index. I head. I tail.
What do you mean?
So these are the indices because we have to return the indices of both values.
You could return that whenever you find that it equals target. You just say return those two values.
You're right. I keep forgetting
But
this
that
is
works
Python,
too.
bro.
That works too. But I'm
Yeah,
just
it
saying.
works. It works. No,
And
no, for sure, for sure.
if the way I was thinking doesn't work, then that's probably the next thing we gotta do. If head plus tail.
Not equal? No. Yeah.
Wow, head plus tail not equal target.
Hmm.
It's one equal, by the way, but I'm trying to think if that's the right one.
No.
Right condition.
Um.
Head plus tail not equal target. That means it equals target.
Wait.
While while head doesn't
Yeah.
equal target. Okay.
Yep. Wait. Give me 1 second. 0, and then we're gonna go. So we need the value.
Ah, good catch, good catch.
There you go. like this, and then we're gonna go
There you go. If blah blah
target.
blah greater than target, and then good
And
stuff.
do you want to just make it like a? No, yeah. We just have to keep it like this. It's greater than target. Tail -1. Like this?
Beautiful. Yeah.
No. If else. If else if. Um. No, +1.
Michael has a very good question
Yes.
for us whenever you're done.
Okay.
You want me to read it too?
Oh, wait. Give me 1 second. Let me
Okay.
just. And then if it hits. All right. I think this should work.
Okay.
Not sure.
Mike
Yes. All right.
says, Michael says, what problems might occur if this function ran and there was not a solution? How might you change that in the while condition? I think you have it right there. You do an elif, and then the else is
No, I think he's saying here. Like, what if there's no, like what if there's two values that don't equal to target? Like, there's no two values that equal to
then
target.
you just outside of that while loop, right? You return whatever, like 0 or whatever you want, and then in that condition, in that loop, you have it to where it returns the code, the actual correct answer if there is a correct answer, or what are you thinking?
It's because I think it's gonna give us an index out of bounds.
But that's why you have the
or it's gonna
no,
give
that's
us
fair. That's fair.
or it's gonna give us an infinite loop, because it's going like this, right? Boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom, 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 and they're gonna meet at the middle. If at the middle they're not equal to each other, they're gonna keep separating, boom, 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 or they might come back, or they might move forward. And
So
it's gonna be like a loop. They're gonna be going up and down, up and down, up and
so
down,
you
up
would
and down, up
say
and down.
if head and tail equal each other, and then
Yeah.
that means you stop it.
Yes. Or because what if, or here instead of target, oh, we
Mm-hmm.
had two numbers, right? Okay, never
Mm-hmm.
mind. So yes, if target or target and target does not equal. No, it's not target. It's head, like this. So while it's not target, right?
Yeah.
And while head is not tail. When it's tail, we jump out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
Yes.
return would have to be a little different because that return that we have currently is assuming that. I mean, what would we return if there's no solution? Is what I'm saying. Like, do they want us to like in that scenario? Would they want us to return a 0 or just return what head and tail is at that current time, which would be the same, right?
You're right.
So that's what I was thinking. Like, well, then what should we return? But I think the question was itself, what condition would change that, and I think that's the right thing right there. So maybe I'm
Yeah.
thinking a little too farther, but
Ooh.
right, because if it doesn't, if the while loop
Yeah.
is done,
Mm-hmm.
then that means you need to return either a value that means that there was nothing, or you just return what you have, which should be the exact same numbers.
Let's try it out and see what happens.
And that means
Yeah.
in the while loop there would be a condition to where it says if the target is met, then you return it while it's in the while loop. But
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right.
Okay.
Let's run it and see. Let's see if this solution works.
What about the elif part? Is that going to give an error?
Ooh. Oh, we
Oh,
got an error over here.
920. It's nub mers 920. Oh, it's actually
Yeah.
918 and 20. Oh, and 17.
Damn.
You
Damn.
just
Damn.
spelled
Damn. Damn.
numbers wrong. You just messed it up a little bit.
What is it?
Right there.
Numbers.
Yeah.
And where else?
And then on line 18.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I copy pasted.
And
Yeah.
then it's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
No mistake. No mistake. Oh my god.
Index is out of range.
Hmm. Length numbers. Maybe because we have to do -1.
I think that's what I saw in the chat as well. Try it.
Oof. All right. Okay.
Are we adding one extra than what the actual output is? Like we have one value less than what the actual output is. On all the cases, look at it. We have 0, 1. The expected is 1, 2. The next
0,
one
1.
is, yeah. We have one less. From these test cases, at least. So what does that mean?
Not sure.
Is it...
Hint, you don't need to compare it to the target in the wild. You can only use the 2 pointers. That is true. That is true. We don't have to, yeah, because compare if it's the target, because...
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. Because if it's the target, right, is the sum of those two numbers is going to equal the target, so it's never going to hit the if or the else if. Because the target, right, because of the sum is not bigger or less than the target. You get me? So that's why it's not going to subtract 1 or add 1. Does that make sense? Because target equals target. Yeah. So
no,
we
I'm not
don't really have to.
understanding that.
Because let's say our target is 11, right?
Uh-huh.
And we have or the sum is 11, right? This sum.
Okay.
This sum is 11. 11 is not greater than 11, right?
11 is not greater than 11?
No,
Is
right?
what you're saying?
Because 11 is 11 is not 11, right? 11 is 11, so it's not gonna break because 11 is not greater 11. So this one is gonna jump, right? It's not gonna focus. 11 is not less than 11, so it's not never gonna hit this one. So it's just gonna keep going, and we don't even have to check if it gets target because it's checking by itself. Oh, okay. It's asking for a plus index. Yeah, added by 1 as an integer array. Yep. Yeah. Thank you, Michael. Thank you.
If this works, we need to run back what you're explaining. I still need some help on that one.
It does work.
Good stuff. Like I understand what we have right now. I understand how that works, but now I'm curious.
Let's remove this one, right?
Okay.
Right. Okay, so we start at 0 and at the end.
Right?
Oh,
okay. You're saying we're doing. We're already comparing it in the inside. Why do we have it in the condition?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because the target, it's never going to be, if the sum equals target, right? If we already have if the sum is the target is never going to be greater than itself. It's not going to be less than itself. So it's not going to change. The tail and the head is not going to change.
Okay.
Yes. All right, let's run
it. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Is life beautiful?
Taking long?
Why is it taking so long?
What's his...
All right.
RIP? RIP? Oh my god. Oh my god.
0.
Not even 1?
Oh, time. Time limit exceeded. What does that mean? I mean, I know what it means, but why do we get that?
Hmm. We need to
Is there? It needs
add
to be an
another
else,
branch.
right? There's just an elif, and then why'd you do elif? Can't you do else?
Because the else is, if this one doesn't work, the else triggers.
Yeah, but it's an you put an elif. So why? What makes?
Elif checks if it meets this condition, and else doesn't check. It just does it.
But if it's not greater than, then that means it's less than.
But what if the target is a target? You get me?
Greater than,
So
less than.
else, I think we have to like break from it. Like once we hit the target, we break out and we just boom. So because if we put this in else, right? This is what you're saying? Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
And we remove this.
And then
If
you're
this one doesn't
saying,
count, you're always
uh,
gonna do this one. If this one doesn't count, you're always gonna do this one. If this one doesn't meet, you're always gonna do this one.
and
So you're gonna create a cycle.
when it's not
And
necessarily,
yeah, when you don't need to. When an
okay,
L if this doesn't meet, you check this condition. And if this condition you don't meet, you could do an else.
or else return head plus one, or return what we had on the outside.
Oh, we could do that, yeah.
But
Right
then
here. Yeah.
does it need to be outside as well?
I'm not sure.
Oh, let's try it. Let's run it. Let's see.
Let's see. There's some little comments here. What happens to your code when you find the target? That's why I
Ah,
wanted. That's why
there
I
you go.
wanted to do like a break, so we can like break out of the while loop, right? Instead of like he just keeps spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning, right? Um, or we can return it. Yes, because the thing is that, because once we find the target, the 2 pointers don't move, so you're just gonna get an infinite loop.
You gotta
This is not
return.
gonna move. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Run? Question mark. Okay. Submit? Question
Submit
mark.
it.
Life beautiful? Question mark. Life is
Life is
beautiful, baby.
beautiful. Life is
Life is beautiful.
beautiful. Life is beautiful. Yes, sir.
Can someone clip that? Our first medium
First medium
question
problem.
solved.
In production code, you'd want another return at the bottom. Let's see.
Oops. In production, you want
Oh,
another
okay, okay,
return.
okay.
Is that what he means by that? Is another return after that while
Oh
loop?
yeah, yeah, right here.
Because the
With
only reason
like
why I said that is because we had that in one of our solutions. We had where if it met inside the loop, return it. But for some reason, if you go outside of it, there was still a way you could return the same thing, and then it would still lead to the.
it's
So
because
that's
I
what I
think
thought of.
it was like a condition. Like, all right, if this condition is met, return else, or then like if it was a condition, if it was met, you return it inside the while loop, and if the while loop ended, we returned whatever was left. If that makes sense.
Okay.
I
Man,
think
good
so. I'm not sure.
stuff. Thank you. Thank you, everyone
Hey,
in the chat, for helping.
actually, thank you. First Shield, Michael, Jonathan. I know there was somebody else.
Carl was helping.
Carl, thank you. Rakesy, if you're still here, thank you guys very much for coming in and helping us out. It really means a lot. Thank you guys.
Good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff, bro. Good stuff.
Do you wanna head into the outro or what?
You tell me. You tell
Well,
me.
it is 10:30, and you said you wanted a long stream. How long have we been streaming? For
3 hours or
almost three
two? About to be
hours.
3. Oof. I don't know.
What are you feeling?
You tell me.
Let's read the chat for a little bit.
Yeah, all right.
What in
Was
production we can use return even if it guarantees something to prevent errors. Okay.
what was getting it earlier was the condition. Oh, okay, I see, I see. So instead of like checking if it's not equal,
Uh-huh.
check if head is if tail is bigger in head, just in case like if they pass over or something. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Oh.
That's nice.
Oh, okay.
Yep, yep.
And that
Yep.
it's more safe than not
Yes, it's safe
equals.
when it comes to the condition. Yes.
Because if one of those got double incremented, it'll completely pass that and it'll still act as
Uh
true,
huh.
right? That's fair.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Like I could
Michael.
do this. Let's see. Yeah, like I switched it here.
Don't ruin our submission. Imagine.
Bro. Hey, trust on Michael. Trust on Michael.
No, I wasn't saying that. I wasn't saying that.
Um,
Sum of total strength of
sum of total
wizards.
strength with. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
That might be a death trap.
I think so. I think so.
That might be a death
I don't want to
trap.
give you like a flash. Okay, there. Some. Let's see. Am I spelling it wrong? Oh, it's because I have it on easy.
Oh.
Yep, here it is. Ooh! Damn, Jonathan. Damn.
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Damn. All right. I get it. Damn. Damn. I don't even
I
want to read
might
about it.
I might put my insane
This
level at
thing,
like 1,000.
this thing just hurts me. Wow. Damn. Uh-uh. Uh-uh.
Let's go
No.
into the outro. I think it's time.
You tell me. You tell. I'm good to go. I can
We
do
could
like
talk.
another 30
Okay,
minutes.
you want to do another 30?
I'm down.
What
Yeah.
problem? Let's look at the problems. You want to do an easy
Yes.
or
I'm
medium?
down to need an easy.
Okay.
Yeah. First year, some SQL problems would be nice too. They would be. I've seen them here and there, but I'm not really familiar with SQL. But it'd be cool to learn about it because I've been playing around with the SQL a little bit, and it looks interesting.
1 hour just to read and
Yeah, which,
understand. For real.
dude, facts, bro, facts. We should do it for the 100 subs special.
Nah, nah, nah.
Come
Just a
on, bro. Come
reminder,
on.
everyone that's in, we're having a 100 sub special next Thursday. So we're gonna be trying some different stuff on that stream. Still coding related, but
Yep, yep.
just kind of make a little special stream for the occasion.
Yes,
Pick
sir.
one. Just pick.
Doing.
I think we did ransom note, Jonathan.
Let's see. I think it's a no, random no. Let's see.
What's wrong with your search bar, bro?
Um,
There it is. You
what do you
saw
mean,
it.
this
You
one?
saw it. Down, down. Keep going. Alright, there you go. The green check mark.
Okay, okay. Here it is. Yes, we did it. We did it. This was
I
the
like
solution.
this was one of my favorites. I think there's a part two though, right? Or no?
No,
You
I
have
don't
easy
think
as
so.
the filter.
Oh. Um.
Go to the next
I
page.
don't think so. Oh, put the pages down.
No, there's not one. I thought there was one. Huh.
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you want to
Alrighty.
try
Let's see.
a linked list? We gotta
I'm
find
done to do a
something.
linked list.
All right, let's do a linked list.
Uh, let's see. No,
Just do the,
text.
yeah, there you go.
Let's see. It's just easy problem. Oh, I think that there is one.
What?
There is a second ransom.
Let's do palindrome linked list. Does that seem
Where
difficult?
is it?
3,
Oh,
2,
this one.
34.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, oh. Okay, I like this one.
Okay.
All right, we can give it a try. Yeah, for sure, for
All
sure.
right.
I'm down. I'm down.
All right, everyone.
All right, let's do this one.
This is the last question of the night. And then we're going to go into the outro. We're going to, if y'all want to ask questions or maybe we have questions, we could talk there. But this will be the last one. If y'all want to see the earlier stuff, y'all could literally just scroll your cursor all the way to the beginning and you can see what we did. If not, we'll have timestamps once the stream is done about the things we did. So let me read this comment real quick. Maybe not window functions and some advanced concepts, but master join is a must. Master, not join is a must. Okay. Thank you, First Shield. Thank you, First Shield. All right, I'm going to read it. You ready?
Yep.
This is question 234, palindrome linked list. Given a head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So for example, we have a linked list from node 1 to node 2, which is 2, to node 3, which has the value 2, and then node 4, which has the value 1. And that is a palindrome because either way you go, you have the same numbers both ways. And lastly, example 2, you got 1 to 2, but then whenever you go the other way, you got 2 to 1.
Just a little bit. Thank you, Jonathan, for coming on to the stream. Thank you, and for everything, for all the help, for all the tips. And I hope to see you on campus. Stay safe. Good
Thank you,
night.
Jonathan.
Take care. Yes.
Okay. So
All right.
that seems
Okay.
we know what a palindrome is.
Yeah.
So
I think I know how to do this one. We have to do a reverse linked list.
and while we're doing the reverse sync list,
So we can compare it with the original.
Oh yeah. So just reverse the link list and then
I think
compare
so.
both of them.
Yeah.
And we know how to reverse a linked list. And
We've
Michael's
done it
here with
before.
us.
Hey, Michael helped us.
Michael,
Oh, you want to use Michael's
we
solution?
gotta use Michael's technique.
We're gonna use Michael's technique.
Okay.
Sir. Thank
Michael,
you, Jonathan.
If you want to watch through this, we're gonna try to implement what you said. And you mentioned we used an extra variable that maybe we didn't need to use, and we're gonna try that way. So.
All right. Let's hit it. Let's do it. Ooh.
Pseudocode. Remember, we gotta start with pseudocode.
Wait.
Oh, First Shield's gonna head out. Thank you, First Shield. Thank you for staying
First
with
Shield,
us.
thank you.
For staying up. Okay, we'll catch you later.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate everything. Have a great day. Well, great night. Yes, sir. Alrighty.
So, what are you thinking?
We're gonna do pseudocode, yeah.
Okay.
Michael
with the double eyes.
All right.
That's funny.
So we're gonna do this.
Dude, it's hot in my room. Sorry.
Bro, same here in my house. I had to pump up the air. Nothing. I still feel kind of warm. Yeah.
Damn.
Guys, because we're on fire right now, bro. We're on fire. All right. Reverse linked list. So we have to reverse the linked list. We need krebs. So you put on, right? Head. We go while temp. Well, while temp, right? We're gonna go head point to none. Temp. No, we have to go temp point to head dot next. Then point to head, boom, 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 boom. And then we're gonna go head equal temp. No, yes?
Sorry. I had to take my medicine.
No worries. No worries, no worries. And prev equal head. Right there, like this. Michael, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is how you put it in the comments. And yes,
So
it's
prev
really
equals
beautiful,
none.
really nice.
And then while temp points to
Head
dot next. Where's the temp variable on the outside?
I don't think you need it.
Then what do you mean? Then what is
Oh,
temp equal to?
Oh, yeah. We can set it to none, no?
No,
At the
temp
beginning?
is equal to head. Right? Or no?
Head dot next, I think. It's not mistaken.
Because if you do it to none and you say while temp, that's not gonna run.
Oh, that is true. You're so okay. Like this then. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it, Carlos. Thank you.
I got you. Now another question occurs. Isn't this the same thing we had?
No, because prev is not a pointer. We used prev as we had another pointer called prev,
Alt.
right? Or alt, right? Yeah. But here we're just using head and temp.
Okay. Then so let me keep going through it. Okay, well temp points to head dot next, temp points to head dot next, head point to previous, Yes, and previous is none. Previous equals head. Head point to previous. Wait. Yes. Head equals temp.
Yeah, because now we move
then
temp
head
over
moves.
here. Boom.
Head moves away.
Moves
and then
where
you keep
temp
going.
is,
Temp moves
moves to the
again.
next.
Head points to, okay. I like that. I think you
Yeah.
got it. I think you got it. Yeah.
Yes, but
But
the thing is that we're messing with the head though,
yeah.
and that we're gonna lose the head. So we have to keep a record of what was before. You get me?
Okay, Michael brought up a good point. What are we comparing it to? If we do this first, we don't have the initial. We didn't loop through the initial thing. So before we reverse it, we loop through the. Right?
Yeah, I was thinking an array, like save all the elements in an array. And then compare the reverse.
Whenever you go in reverse, you're gonna iterate through it, and you're gonna see if, or you don't even have to put that into an array. You just say if this node does that equal to index 0. Does this node equal to index 1, index 2, index 3?
Yeah.
Then, so we just use one array, right? Can we do it?
I think so, yes.
Can we do it in place?
What do you mean in place?
Like, can we do it without creating an array?
Yeah,
I wonder.
Let me see. Let me think. Oh, bro, Mike was a genius. Oh man, this guy's spitting fire.
Wait, what happened?
If we already have it in an array, we can reverse it and we can just check if the array. Oh, that's smart, Michael.
You're a genius, Michael. We're going way too far.
Bro, damn, he got me thinking.
Michael.
Wow.
I need to pin that. I'm gonna just pin that. There you go.
All right. Okay.
You got the pin of the
We
stream.
can the pin of the stream. Yeah, I
Yeah.
like that. We should do that. We should do the pin of the stream.
You just got pin
Yes,
of the stream,
sir.
Michael. Congratulations.
Um.
We'll have a leaderboard.
So, of how many pins people can get.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, thank you,
I like
Michael.
that.
I
I like
appreciate that.
that. I like
And
that. I like
you're
that.
giving us a little bit of experience, I would say.
That's smart. That's
Thank you,
smart.
Michael. I appreciate it. So yeah,
Okay.
why are we trying to reverse it, man?
Okay. But now the question is, can we
What's the
do
question?
it without Honorable?
Oh, you're still on that one. Okay, yeah. Let me think. You still gotta compare it to something, right? You can't
But can
start
we
from the
compare
end.
it to itself?
You can't start at the tail if we're not given a tail. So we can't do 2 pointers and bring them in together.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do a hare and a turtle? You got 1, 2. It's at 2. If that's 1, I don't know.
Oof.
2 egg doubles. Sorry.
No worries.
Hare, turtle and hare, or whatever it was called. That goes 1. That would be at 2. If the next one is 1 and the next one is 2, I don't know.
Yeah.
Because how it. Double click on that concept. Keep thinking.
Keep thinking. On
Double
the
click.
hair, we can. I was thinking to get the middle, right? But either way, we still have to iterate through it.
The whole thing.
Yeah. We can like start in the middle and be like, all right, compare it to this, to this, to that, to that, to that, to that, right? We can go 1, 2, 2, 1.
Because the way I'm thinking it is like in place is like. Actually, maybe I'm
Like,
no. Or should we be thinking of it as like we don't have to use an external variable to do it? Because we could do it in place if we just revert. If we
figure out a
could iterate
way.
through the whole thing and we could iterate back, we're free to move back and forth as long as we don't create another variable or data structure that will hold the inputs. We could just compare it within. But I don't know. I'm going to read what Michael said. Say you're in the middle. What could you do on your way to the middle that would allow you to walk back to the front of the one side and keep walking the other way on the other side? Oh, you add another pointer?
No. As you're in the middle, what would you do on your way to the middle that would allow you to walk back to the front on one side? You reverse the other half. You walk into the middle, right? You reverse it, boom, boom, boom. Once in your middle, the other half it's already reversed. So now you have a pointer 1 on a pointer on the half that's reversed and another pointer that goes forward. So you have a pointer that goes backwards, a pointer that goes forward. But they're now 2 separate linked lists.
They're both pointing from different.
Yeah, different directions.
Uh-huh.
But they're separate. They're not linked anymore. They're not linked.
Okay.
So now you just have to compare this node and this node, this node and this node, this node and this node, this node and this node.
But you still need 2 pointers to walk.
Yes. Yeah, because you separate the linked list in half. Like this linked list keeps going forward, this linked list keeps going backwards.
Yeah.
You compare each.
So you got to reverse along the way
Yeah.
And
Until
then
you get to the middle.
you add the new pointer to point to that middle, and then you start going your separate ways. See?
That sounds pretty efficient, right?
I
I
think
think
so.
so. I think so. I think so.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You're iterating the same, right? You're going 1 2.
Yeah,
Now,
because you go.
another question is, if there's 4 elements, what's the middle? Like, how do you?
You
Or
just divide by 2. You get 2 2, or you can do +1.
but then I always get confused with those. Is that like you start at 4 divided by 2, right? You get the middle would be 3, or what would it be?
The middle would be 3.
Like what?
Yes.
Like what?
Well,
What
we'll have to
element will it
split.
point at?
We'll have to split to it. We'll have to split 2. The number that's gonna go to this 2 is gonna be 3. We have to traverse 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times we're gonna traverse to get to here, right?
Uh huh.
And we're in this one, we have to traverse 1 time. That's how you get the middle. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Because you traverse 2, shoom, you cut it, you go this way, this one goes that way.
Okay. I'm just curious
Yeah.
how you would set that up. Like, if
All right, let's see.
it's even, I guess you just
If it's
add.
even, if it's even, right?
You
You
get the
divide by
middle and
2.
you -1 for one pointer.
Yeah, -1 for the other pointer. Now
Okay.
my
It's getting
problem
way too
is,
hot. I need to go real quick, but I'll wait. I'll
yeah,
finish. I'll do it whenever you're done talking.
when we have what's it called? Odd numbers. For example, 5.
Well, that's the easiest.
Split it.
You get the you get
Yeah,
the
but
floor.
to compare it though, because we're gonna have 2 notes on one side, 3 notes on the other side.
Yeah. No. If it's 5, the middle is 3, and then you put the pointers into their separate ways, and you compare those two. We know the middle is the same.
That is true.
Like the middle will be the same either way. So you
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
move you put
But
both pointers to the middle, and you move them away once, and then you compare those.
let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And our middle is 3.
Yeah,
We have 3 on one side, 2 on the other side, right?
yeah,
We're gonna compare 2 to 3.
uh huh. And it's
Then
not a palindrome.
1 to 4,
Yeah,
1 to 5.
yeah. It's
But
not a palindrome then.
what if we have 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1?
Write that
We have
down.
3 twos in.
One note down.
Let's see. I closed my iPad. Let me see.
1 2 2. I could probably write it down too on my thing.
No, I got it here. I got it
Okay.
here. No worries. I just had to open. I might be overthinking about it. I don't know.
I think
But
so,
let's say we
but
have
let me see what you're saying. 1 2 2
1, right?
1.
We'll split it in half, right?
That's a palindrome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2,
You don't
2.
split it in half.
Yes, right?
The half is 2. So
Yes.
you put both pointers at 2, and then you move them one away. So
But this one is gonna be pointed this way. This one's gonna be pointed this way. This one is gonna be pointed this way.
no,
You get me?
look. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying on this one, but remove that line in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when you get the middle, right? What point at what node is the middle?
This one.
Okay, now add another pointer to that middle.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now once your both pointers are at the middle, then you split them. One goes to the left, one goes to the right. That's where they start. And then you check.
This one goes here?
That one goes there, the other one goes to the other one.
But how do we get here though?
How
If
do you
there's no
go?
link
Well, you're reversing all the way to that middle.
until here. So this pointer is gonna equal here. How do we move this
As you're
pointer
moving to the
over
middle.
here?
As you're moving to the middle, you're reversing as you go. Okay? Once it hits 2, which is the middle, then you add that new pointer. Okay? So now there's a path to go back and there's a path to go forward.
Yeah, but there's no link between these two.
Why not? If you reversed your way over there.
Because we reversed. Because instead of having it like this, right? Now this thing is looking like this.
Why isn't there not a reverse linked right there? Is what I'm saying.
Well, it would be like this.
Based on the algorithm that we have? I was thinking that the algorithm would cover that and not mess up the next one. It would stop at the middle. But I could see that. I could see if that's the case. If the algorithm does that, then yes, I could see what you're saying. But I was thinking the algorithm is not going to make a space unlinked when it stops. That it wouldn't leave the last space and move to unlinked.
It's because it reverses. It's because it reverses the.
Okay. I see what you're saying. I see it now. There's no.
Yeah.
There's no. It's not a doubly pointer at the middle.
There's not a doubly pointer. Yeah.
I see. I see what you're saying. Yeah. So
we're gonna traverse, right? Boom, right? Blah blah. This one goes over here.
You can make. Isn't that a simple fix? You could make it a doubly. You add that. You add the middle pointer, and then you say, okay. Point. Point.
Or we can just move this pointer. Watch. We can move this pointer over here and have another pointer over here, like this. Boom. Now we start at some point.
Okay. Yeah.
You like that? Yeah. All right. Bet. Okay. We can do that.
Good stuff.
All right.
Let me be right back. I need to load on the AC.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty.
Woo.
Yes.
Hey.
How you guys doing?
You hear me? You know how on one of the streams you're like, Carlos and Jose bump heads, or they're getting heated. This is round 2 right here.
Round 2, bro. Round 2, bro.
Carlos and Jose had round 2.
You should make it a short.
Maybe.
All right, guys.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for sticking with us this late at night. Hopefully, we get this one done right now.
Well, we know how to get it done, right? We just want to do it this way.
Yeah.
Like we could do the array thing, and we could like reverse it, whatever.
Yeah. We could have easy. Yeah. All right. So let's cut it up.
Sorry, can you explain this last one again? So I understand that there's a space, but how did you fix it again?
We just moved the pointer one to the right. Instead of being here, we moved it over here.
But how does that pointer get in the middle?
This pointer?
What
do you mean?
How does that...
This one?
Yeah, how does that get to the middle?
Because we're traversing all the way to the middle.
Then how did you get that other pointer to...
Because that's the previous.
But what happened to you saying that there's not a link?
Yeah, because this one, right? Because you were saying to have 2 pointers here, right?
Thank you, Michael. Sorry. Thank you, Michael. We really appreciate your help.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Get some good
So,
sleep.
so you said we had a pointer here, right?
Uh-huh.
And that you wanted to move it over here.
Yeah. But it was still
But
possible. We just needed. You just can't move it. You could just. But there was something pointing there the whole time. Is that what you're saying?
no, we can leave it there and not move it to the middle. You get me?
I saw your face. You're just looking.
I'm looking because I'm staring and you stay quiet. I'm like, oh, what am I explaining wrong?
Okay. Let's iterate it again, like one by one, because
All right,
I need
so
to get it. Put the arrows connected. Just get all this stuff. Okay.
we go here, right?
Yeah.
We move this thing over here, right?
Yeah.
We go to 2. We point it over here,
Okay.
right? Oh my God, we're at the middle, right? Boom, right? And we're gonna keep a pointer over here, right? Okay, which is our previous. This is gonna be our temp per se, right?
Okay, I get it now.
Right?
So
Yeah.
this whole time, when we're saying that, oh, it's unlinked, it can't go back, there was a pointer there that whole time?
Yeah. But
Okay.
I don't know why, but you decided to move the previous to where the temp is. And I was like,
Well, no, I was
no.
thinking that there was just one pointer that's being moved. But this whole
No.
time there was two,
Yeah, because
and
we're gonna
one
use
was
the
staying behind.
reverse. Yeah, because we're gonna use the reverse algorithm, reverse linked list to reverse half of it.
Okay. Yeah, I get it now.
Yeah. How are we gonna do it? I don't know, but I think it's plausible. Plausible.
Okay.
So it's because also we have to figure out the length of the array, the length of the linked list,
Oh yeah,
find the
that's
middle.
another thing.
Yeah, which is easy. It's easy, right?
But is that really efficient though? We iterate through the whole thing to find the middle, and then you just reverse it. Like what?
I mean, how else would you find the middle?
By not doing that?
How would you?
By not doing that.
But how would you? Like, what's the another alternative?
There's not. You need to do that.
Yeah.
So so is
Or
this
we can do
really
the hair.
as
We can do
efficient as we
the
thought?
hair. We can do the hair, the tortoise in the hair, where we go and traverse all the way to the middle, right?
But that means there's one pointer.
We leave a pointer in the head, right? And then
Corogist. Welcome
welcome
back.
to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
Welcome back. DKT. Welcome. I never seen you
Welcome back.
DKT.
You guys did a middle problem before. We did. We did the
Yes.
rabbit and the hair. We were talking about it. How do we implement it here?
Oh.
We can find the middle with that, right?
And then just add a pointer to that and then move it. But then you still gotta reverse.
Yeah, we reverse it while we're traversing.
Oh, okay.
You get me? So we go, okay, let's find the middle. In every linked list, the tortoise always goes 1. So it's always the tortoise is gonna be in charge of pointing backwards. Boom, 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 boom.
But that means the hair is gonna be at the end.
Yeah.
And our algorithm that we were just thinking of, it was at the middle. We're in the middle and we're going two different ways. Man, this thing's pissing me off. Because you know why? We could literally solve it right now with our eyes closed. But we want to be all fancy. And I know this is important. I'm not saying it's not. But it's just making me upset. I'm sorry.
True. Yeah. You see, reverse the part middle to end and check if it's equal to the first half. Yes. That's what I was gonna. Yeah, we exactly. He basically solved it. Where because we already have the head. The head is in the beginning, so now we know where the head is. We just have to reverse the tortoise to the hair.
Can you do that in the OneNote?
Yeah. So instead of reversing, we have our we get here when our hair is over here. This is the T for tortoise. This is for head. We
Scroll
just
down a little bit.
reverse this part. We just reverse that part and move tortoise all the way over here.
How are you comparing at the same time? Oh, wait. And then how do you compare at the same time?
No, we reverse. We reverse it at the same time.
Okay.
Now we just have to compare it.
Oh, okay. Then you have to go back. The turtle goes back.
Mm-hmm. Now it goes this way. Think so.
I see.
Damn. Yeah, my head is hurting with this one.
Wait, the turtle is the hair's already at the end. You gotta reverse that. Wait. Reverse as you go. There's a pointer in the front. So you I just see your face.
No, I'm thinking because my head hurts already, but
That's funny.
it's a little bit stressful.
Hey, we could we could increase our insane levels, man.
This is so easy,
Bar right.
right?
Bar right, I know it's so
Yeah.
easy. Get on the
No, I
stream, let's
know.
go. Guide us.
Guide us through this. Guide us through this.
What's up, Bar right? How you doing, buddy? Damn.
No, give me 1 second. I'm gonna check something. X.
Is this our longest stream ever? I think this is our longest stream. What are we at right now?
I think so. Like 30 minutes.
3 hours and 30 almost.
Yeah,
Everyone,
I think.
hey, Korogist and DKT, if you are still in here, we just hit 100 subs, so we're gonna have a 100 sub special on Thursday, next Thursday. So, yeah, if y'all want to tune into that, I think it's gonna be a good stream, and also appreciate y'all for being in here.
Yeah. All right, you want to do a couple more minutes?
Let's just solve it.
Do you want to solve it? Okay.
Yeah, like
let's
not do this. Let's skip this for now. Dang good. Thanks for asking, Carl. Just got off work at my senior software engineering job myself, laying in bed now. Damn, bro.
Yeah, but the flex,
That's the
subtle
life.
flex, the subtle flex.
That's the life.
All right, so you want to do it in an array?
Yeah, you could keep.
Go for it.
Yeah. So just write three pseudocode comments. We're gonna have an array. We're gonna loop through the list. We're gonna append it to the array. Reverse the list. Is it palindrome? Then yes. So we're gonna create an array. We're gonna loop through the nodes of the linked list and add it to the array, and then we're gonna reverse the array and see if it's a palindrome. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So easy.
Okay. Oh my god, bro. Dude, it's because, bro, I'll put up my thing, but I think I'm in an 8 right now. I'm at 8.
I got you, bro. Don't trip.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
I just been yapping, but I'm gonna be at an 8-2 with you.
Temp.
Oh, that's funny.
No, wait. So we're gonna go.
Append temp.val. And then temp equals temp.next. I like linked lists though. I'm actually happy that we've gotten better at it.
It's fun. They're really fun. They're really
Cause I
fun.
remember our first
Yeah.
time trying it.
What was the thing? If
If ARR
R
equals
equal,
ARR dot colon -1.
there you go. Yeah. There you go. Woo! Ready?
Yeah, let's see if it works. Okay, let's submit
I'm
it.
going for it, bro.
All right,
It works.
let's get off this.
That easy.
Let's get off this
That
question.
easy, bro.
Explain it real
That
quick,
easy,
or I can
bro.
explain it for you if you need me to.
You explain it. You can explain it. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Your turn. Your
So
turn.
usually we like Jose to explain it and me to read the question, but we're gonna do little things different today for this problem. So to explain this easy question, go back to the description, please.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
To explain this easy question, 234 palindrome linked list, what we want to do is first we want to initialize an array. So we initialize an array, it's empty, and then we want to say temp equals head. We could honestly do we could just loop through the head, but we wanted to do temp. So if y'all feel like just looping through the head's better, let us know in the comments. But other than that, we loop through temp.
No, don't loop through the head. Don't loop through the head, because then you lose your linked list.
Thank you, Jose. Appreciate that.
Yeah, yeah.
So we loop through the temp and we append the temp.val. After we're done appending that to the array, we move temp to the temp.next. And then from there, we got a full array full of elements. And we want to compare array to the array in reverse. If it equals the same, return true. If not, you return false. And that's about it. Why we struggle so much on this? Because we wanted to do something different. We
want to be fancy.
a better approach.
We want to show off my skills.
Yeah, and you know, it's fancy. It's a show off type thing, but also it's probably better than this. So at the end of the day, it's probably a better approach than this, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get better and think of better approaches, and we did think about it. So we're improving because we thought about a better approach, and then Michael helped us think about an even better approach, and then DKT and Koro just helped us a little bit more. So we're there. We're getting there. Now it's just implementing it. Implementing is the problem. So,
but if you guys have a better solution, drop it in the comments, drop it in the chat. We'd like to see it. And maybe in the next stream, we might talk about it for sure.
Yeah, we talked about a couple comments today, but let's go into the outro, man. Let's do
yes, sir.
Okay.
Woo!
So that's about it.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, I hope they could hear us.
I think so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. So that's about it. That's the stream for today. We did a long stream, 3 hours and 32 minutes. So we wanted to do a big stream today because I don't know why. Why?
Because we had time. We had a little bit more time.
Oh yeah, we had more time.
Yeah.
The semester's ending, so we just thought to do a little bit longer, and it was fun.
A little bit longer.
We saw familiar profile pictures.
We saw new ones.
We saw new ones.
That
was great. It was really fun. I actually liked a lot
I
what
liked
the
it a
chat
lot
was
too.
saying, and yeah, to kind of how do you say recap what we did today? We did two speedrun LeetCode questions in the beginning. We did a bit manipulation question after that, and then we did a medium question, which is something we rarely do. We haven't touched medium. We've only been doing easy, so we did a medium question. You can see if we completed it or not if y'all want to go back. And
Yep,
then
yep.
what else? And then right now we had some extra time. You know what? Let's just do a
Did a
linked
little
list
bit
problem.
more.
So we're doing linked list problem, and in the coming days we'll make sure to post these. If y'all don't want to watch the full stream, we'll condense them a little bit so y'all could just get like the good part of the problem solving. But other than that, we hit 100 subs. Our next goal is 500.
500, yes, sir.
But we're gonna do a big stream to celebrate on Thursday for the 100 subs, and then also we talked about a Discord that we're creating. It's not ready yet, but once it's ready and once we feel like a lot of people are interested in it, we'll start rolling it out to people to test it and see how it works and see what we can improve. But that's something we're really excited for because we want to have another stream to where we could communicate with the viewers and ask questions and help us out and help y'all out and just makes the stream a little bit more engaging. So um, there are a lot of cool ideas that could come with having the Discord. So that's something we look forward to. And then that's about it. Please leave your
Yep.
critiques. We need critiques, harsh critiques, nice critiques. It don't matter. We want them. We're beginners. We're not experts, so we're trying to become experts. And then that's about it. Jose, what else do you want to say?
No, nothing. Pretty much covered everything. Thank you guys for everything. I really like the stream, the interaction with the viewers and with the chat. Thank you guys for everything, for the support. And hopefully we see you guys this Thursday. We're gonna do a little bit of a special stream for the 100 subscribers. What are we gonna do? We don't know yet, but it's still in the plans, right? And maybe we're gonna drop our Discord on Thursday. Maybe it all depends if we decide to or not. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, we got hopefully some interesting coding problems, and we'll see how it goes. But I really want to thank you guys for everything for the 100 subs. I just checked, we're 107 subs, so the 7 more people that barely subscribed right now, thank you, and we're here for the long run. And I thank you guys for staying here with us and for staying this late, because I know somebody stayed until 1 a.m. in
Yeah.
time, their time zone. That means a
Yep.
lot. That means a lot. Yeah. So thank you guys for a lot. Thank you guys for everything and for being here. For sure.
All right. And I think that concludes the stream. So we'll
Yes,
see y'all
sir.
next Thursday. Look out for our
Peace out, guys.
videos. And that's about it.
Yes, yes. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.